dive into this. Check it out, the Bitcoin. So, looking at Bitcoin on the weekly, you can see we're in the bullish control zone. Stochastic's pretty high. Not worried about the stochastic. Your MACD's looking extremely good. This is very nice. Right now, I have these three lines because these are weekly candle high closes, and these are the levels that matter most right now. So you have your previous all-time high weekly candle closes, and then you have the current weekly candle high closes. We are above everything. We're in no man's land. It's just up there in the stratosphere. It looks great. Let's come on down to the daily. Now on your daily, this is where we see a little bit of slowing down. Trade intuition. What is up? How you doing? Welcome in. So this is where we see a little bit of slowing down so far. You can see your stochastic getting pretty high. We are, I think, just now entering the overbought territory. We are just now entering it. So the possibility is there that Bitcoin could consolidate, pull back a little bit, catch its breath. We're going to see. But going down to your 4 hour. So the 4 hour is where I have my worries. 4 hour is showing classic hidden bearish divergence. We do have this wonderful trend line to go off of right here. So hopefully that holds us up, at least for the near term. But you can see your stochastics trying to reset while we are up sloping. But it is a channel, I want to say. Yeah, so we're in a rising channel. This is a very weak bull flag. I mean, technically it's like a parabolic bull flag. It's not very strong. You want the down sloping ones for the most strength, but these ones work too if you do not break down. But you can see you did have your high back here, higher level in price, lower relative strength, and then a third higher level. So rules of three is basically saying we're about to get a pullback, and if we do get a pullback on Bitcoin, very likely we backtest the 71,280 level. We have a nice pocket in here, so let's say it starts getting a little crazy. You're probably going to get caught on 69,633, but after that, I mean, bull run on, sky's the limit. We'll see what happens. But your 4 hour is giving you a lot of signs that a pullback could be coming. So I'm looking forward to looking at the liquidation map and seeing what's going on there. But let's go down to the 1 hour real fast, because maybe we're going to try and trade this. So your 1 hour stochastic, you can see that hidden bearish divergence very strongly. Hello, sir. What do I think about Doge? Doge looks great, Frank. Doge looks great. We will get into Doge in a bit. Have you checked your Windows setting for your mic? It may be set at 8. Do you know how to check? If not, I can type it out for you. I have not checked it, and I'm probably not going to do it live. Is it low for you? Is that what's going on? Yo, what's up, Max? How you doing? Is it low for you? Yo, what's up, Max? How you doing? Sounds fine on my end. Is it low for you? Yo, what's up, Max? That sounds fine on my end. I don't know, brother. I don't know. But so yeah, Bitcoin on the 1 hour, it does show you have the possibility of getting another leg up. Maybe you test the top of this channel. I don't know. Your mic is super low. I don't have headphones. I'm listening to this thing through my speakers. Yeah, that feedback you're hearing, that's me listening to my own stream. So I don't know, trade. Maybe turn the volume up. I don't know, man. Alright, so what I was talking about here, we have low stochastic on the 1 hour. You are in bullish control zone. That's nice to see. Let's come down to your 15 minute. 15 minute. This is where we start seeing a different picture. This is where you think you could start falling a bit. So right now you have this demand line right here. You just tried to break out of it. Just tried. Your mic sounds good to you. Okay, yeah, mic sounds good to Frank. Sounds good to me too. I don't know, trade. It might be on your end. Just maybe. Just maybe. And if we were to look at this as a possibility of a breakdown and a pullback, then don't mean to sidetrack you. Recommend listening to your streams. than other people's videos to notice the difference. There is a big difference. Okay, I'll try that. All right. But the idea here, you did get your retrace here, you came down, you're starting to try and come back up again as a second test. You're getting rejected right now for Bitcoin. We could see Bitcoin come down to 75,117. So that is a possibility of a 1.8% drop. However, we can also look at it a different way. If we do get a confirmed breakout, are you listening to headphones or speakers? Oh, talking to Frank. Got it. So we could look at it this way as well. This way shows we could be going up to $77,512. This breakout's kind of important, but when we come down to this 5 minute, your 5 minute is struggling here. But while we're staying up here, it's looking like Stochastic's trying to come down. So we're not overbought on the 5 minute. This rally could start up any second now. And if it does start going, this could be an absolute beautiful 2% move. Could be. Ricardo. God candles galore. OMG. Let's fucking go. Yes. Good days have come. And right now, Bitcoin is struggling to break out. But if it manages to get out of here, this thing's going to look absolutely amazing. So, now, knowing this information, and you're in neutral territory on the 15 minutes, so this thing could actually start running. But now, with that info, let's go into the liquidation map, the heat map. Heat map's a great place. Ooh. So on your heat map, you can see there is a lot of liquidity. Let me refresh real quick just to make sure that's the real. Yep, that is real. Speakers. Yeah. So right here we have 75,440, $49 million just hanging out there. The price is gonna have to go all the way up to 76,947 just to start liquidating some shorts. It is likely to me that the market will try and do a quick dip down, grab some liquidity, and then throw the price back up. It is likely to me only because we're going into Friday. We've already gotten the election, we've already gotten the FOMC meeting, and we still have recessionary pressures to worry about. So if it gets this dip, not very weird in my eyes, but if we do manage to break above 77,489, this could get really good. Could get really good. Liquidating all of these longs could be amazing. Let's go ahead and check out the weekly real fast. Let's see what the weekly's telling us. Weekly's showing us there's just no one shorting right in this area. No one is shorting. So, likely scenario, price to fall down to grab liquidity. And it could gravitate towards 74,200. We don't know. We don't know. I just don't like seeing a gap on the heat map. This is a really big gap. All those shorts got wrecked. Then the price retraced. We're waiting for more shorts. I think that's why price started to stall out a little bit. Those shorts are not getting liquidated anymore. I was listening to 5 other streams before Porky's. I have both speakers set 50%. All the streams, videos were good level. Then Porky's, I have to turn up to 75. Got it. I'll check it out later. I'll play with my audio settings once again. But on my end, every time I test it, I come back sounding just fine. So, yeah. We'll try and test it further to make everyone happy. Now, it does look like we're trying to get this breakout right now, but very easily we could just do this, and it's like, oh, we're not actually broken out. So, we'll see what happens here. We shall see. Same here. I usually have to turn up also for this stream. All right. Got 2 of them. Have to turn up for me. I wonder if I just change this setting to being louder, if that ends up helping. Now am I like super loud for everybody? Because on my mixer, I'm starting to hit the red. It's like peaking. It's ugh. It's a lot. Oh, so you wanted me to turn up my mic. Got you. Before stream even starts. Anyways, that's pretty funny. You can hear me now? Yeah, I just turned up my mic. No big deal. I can do that right here in Streamlabs. Um, I just normally keep it to where I'm not hitting these red bars, but now I am. So, good to know. Good to know. Anyways, looks like we're starting to get a little bit of that pullback I was talking about. So, on this pullback, could be a little more nasty than we expect. Be careful here, but if we are going to pull back, I think I would much rather trade Doge. I'd much rather trade Doge on a pullback. But yeah, this thing is a bit overextended. So we could see Bitcoin actually start pulling, which let's just go to the 5-minute if you want to be really conservative on the idea of a pullback if it happens. We could be looking at some, let me go to my normal Bitcoin chart. So we could be looking at something like this, which would make total sense. So yeah, looks like the pullback is in right now. Looks like the pullback is in. What do you guys think? Should we do a quick little trade? I think so. Love Doge. We all love Doge. Good evening, Porky. How high do you think Aptos can go? No idea, Decloser. No idea. I'm kind of in a wait and see. What the fuck is this? They just update this on me? What the hell? That looked weird. That looks really weird. I don't know if I like that. So let's go 150. 150x. We're gonna short the corn. We're gonna be ballsy here. Shorting Bitcoin right now. Yes.
Why didn't you make vegetables? What, noodles?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, you're good.
All right, I'm back. Love getting interrupted. Holy F. What's up, Greg? What's going on? Are you worried about the trade? Because right now we have a very distinct level that we are looking to not go above. Very distinct right here. 76.28. 76028. 76028. 76028. 76028. Alrighty. Now, profit taking, we are looking for 75,343. 75,343. No, not worried, man. Just not used to seeing that much leverage. Oh, really? Welcome to the stream. Welcome in. We're going to see if it plays out, because it could pop out right now. It's very possible. Could just pop right on out of there. 75,343. 75,343. All right, so we're risking about 20% on this trade. So hopefully we don't get stopped out. But it's kind of looking like we should be okay. It looks like it. But yeah, Decloser, me trying to figure out where Aptos is going to go, I'm not sure. Because I think Aptos is one of those where you can like it's a whole platform, isn't it? You can stake, you can build on it. You can do a lot of stuff with Aptos, if I remember correctly. Yo, what's up, degenerates? Not too much. We're shorting Bitcoin right now. Welcome into the spectacle. Welcome in. All right. Let's go ahead and check out Doge real quick. So, Doge, it's starting to give me all those feelings that I had last night where I want to short it. I really want to short it. Yeah, layer one like Solana. Yeah, that's right. So you can do a lot with Aptos Network. It could fly high, honestly. It did very well leading up to this time, but yeah, what's up, Crypto Naughty? But yeah, I'll have to dive into it a little bit more, just see where it can go. I'm looking to go turbo long on wait, what? Turbo long on CAS at 11,448. What's it? I'm so confused with what you just said right there. Are you going long on turbo or CAS? I'm confused. I just took profits on Doge long. I'm also looking for shorts. Maybe this would be a good entry. Actually, I think it could be if Bitcoin actually goes down. So I don't know for certain that it's going to go down. I just know it's like the 1 hour looking like it wants to pull back. It looks like it wants to. So here we are on that. And let's get rid of this real quick. So if we actually bring out our beautiful little fib tool, bring it up to the top here. Don't get that wrong. So you can see how we got all the way up here and we came back down. We're being held down by that 50 simple moving average. We're sitting at the 50% retrace. Cannot break above it right now. And the measured move is just to get a formal back test. I mean, slightly lower. Maybe you get the wick, maybe you don't. But it's like, if you get the full move, 7.43% to the downside. And all you really need is a stop loss above this wick up here. So this could be a very good trade setup. It very well could be. CAS. Oh, you want to go long on CAS. I got you. True, it does follow BTC to a T. Yeah, it really is. It's kind of wild. I just honestly 100% agree with what you said with the weekend coming up. And always, whether withers away. Oh, shit. Hold on. Always withers away in volume over the weekend after a pump and election results post FOMC meeting. Yeah, it's set up for a pullback. It's set up to consolidate. It's like we had the party. Now it's time for the hangover. We just chill. It's fine. Let things consolidate. Let the buyers get some entries. It'll be all right. And it's funny because I know there's probably someone out there. Doge is only gonna go up forever. Don't ever think that. Like, don't ever think that. Basically, the FOMC meeting, they only dropped 25 basis points while getting horrendous jobs numbers. Jerome Powell was grilled about if he was going to lose his job, and then on top of it all, he decided to say, we still have a strong economy. No, the fuck we don't. What the hell are you talking about? So, recession fears back on the table. Maybe we started partying a little bit too soon. Just maybe. I like Pepe better than Doge at this time. Saw that. It was hilarious. It was so damn funny. Oh my god, I was almost in tears. That shit was hilarious. Yo, what's up? How you doing, man? How you doing? I don't know if I should call you Eric or Runner, but you know what? I'm gonna say either one. So yeah, right now Dogecoin, I would expect it to come down this 7.43%. Going into lower time frames, 15-minute looks like it's ready to roll over too. If you wanted to go much higher leverage, you could just bring this fib tool in here and be like, well, you know, we're kind of at a really good entry for this move. And the really short-term move would be something kind of like this. It's a 2.89% drop. So it's not that bad. Our economy is strong like the 1920s. Is that the Great Depression? I need to brush up on my history, but I feel like that was the Great Depression. Was watching a football game? Okay, alright, nice. Actually, when you compare things to inflation, during the Great Depression, their wages were better than wages now. Fun fact. Yeah. Absolutely crazy. Buffett has 300 billion waiting on something, cash money. Yeah, it's crazy how much he sold. It's absolutely crazy how much he has sold. It's like, damn, brother. Why? I would figure he would buy back in just because, Trump victory, but nope, he's still sitting on the side. It's true. Compared to price of goods and property, yeah, it's insane that people in the Great Depression had it better. Ew. Ew. What is Cass doing? Ew. That's not good. You shouldn't be losing that level. That's not good. Cass, I mean, it was a great bull flag, but then it just shat the bed here. So yeah, I think for Cass, we're waiting for another test at this 10.0841 level. That's not a good look. The candle low close below the previous demand line that you were supposed to hold as support. That's not a good look. That's really bad. That is really bad. What are the lower time frames showing us? You're not oversold on the 1 hour yet. Let's see the 15. Your 15 even has room to fall. If you start turning up now, then you could start getting some hidden bullish divergence. But all that happened, you were oversold, came out of being oversold to fall further. Caspa Trash told you that short was good last night. That short was good last night. I took profit way too early because I went to sleep. But I at least grabbed 4% on the trade. So we did get 120%. And yeah, it was pretty solid. Pretty solid. Not gonna lie, had a short in Doge last night. It would have ate at one point, but you took 18% before bed. Hey, it's a smart move. It's a really smart move. In order, I mean. Wait, what? Yeah, I have a long at support for Cass. Hopefully it catches a bounce. Yeah, hopefully. Going into Friday after huge pumps like this, I don't know. The liquidation map's telling me it could get a little rough. Could get a little rough tomorrow, and then it'll be great for the weekend. It'll flush out a lot of longs, and then it'll be great for the weekend. Too early to FOMO longs. I mean, yeah, a little bit too early. We have to realize we still have 2 whole months of Biden left. And Biden announced today that he wants to go out of his way to send another $6 billion to Ukraine. I was like, didn't Russia just say they wanted to start negotiating? I don't understand what's going on here. So yeah, things are. It's like we had our wonderful 2 days. Back to reality. Back to reality. We have troops in Syria. Apparently, we have troops all over the world, bro. We have troops all over the world. That's why during the debates, I was so confused when Kamala said, "We have no troops stationed anywhere." What are you talking about? My BTC short is moving. It's starting to. It's starting. And noted, I'm only planning on taking this 0.76%. I wouldn't dare think that it's going to come down here and test support. I would not dare to think that, especially not on 150x leverage. Let's see how the trade's doing. We're up 15%. Not too bad. Not too bad.
Give me your dishes.
I seriously can't stream without any. Can I do it tomorrow, please? Thank you. Jesus. Living with women. It's tough, guys. Send your prayers. Anyways, they can't do shit for us. Wait, damn. Meanwhile, my hometown area in North Carolina got destroyed. Yeah, that's absolutely crazy. Like, people are really reeling from those hurricanes. Absolutely nuts. Can't have nice things. Really can't. Yeah, I took profits from your Sol longs, like 20%. I don't know if they could have stopped my closest one at 162. I don't think we go down there, but maybe. I mean, we're going to see. I still think Solana's about to go hit its target before it starts pulling back heavily. Let's see how it's doing right now. Like, it's showing more strength than everything else. Remember, 225 is the target. 225 has been your target. So I think people are just waiting for 225 before they start selling off. Yeah, I helped some friends from Boone area, North Carolina. Dang, that's cool. That's cool. You were out there helping. That's awesome. Yeah, I also heard a terrible report. Apparently, there were 2,700 people who decided like living wasn't worth it, and so they decided to not do that anymore. Yeah, it's a rough thing to hear just because of your candidate not getting elected. That's a really rough thing to hear. Soul does love a good pullback. That's pretty funny. There's that. What exactly? Like what the heck? It's absolutely wild. But that's the problem when you run off fear. You can't fear people into voting for you. It's not a good thing. So let's say Solana does pull back. I mean, you're looking to get support right down here at 181.66. What happened? Yeah, it was just reports came out about people who didn't want to survive a Trump presidency, so they chose not to. I'm trying not to get kicked off of YouTube here, so you can read in between the lines. I feel like it's pretty clear. People are all messed up these days. They really are. They really are. So hopefully, things will get better fast. Exactly, Greg. Exactly. It's Dr. Pepper. Suey, not talking the coin, yeah. Could you imagine if that's what Suey stood for? Oh my gosh. Missed the pump again. Thirsty, you knew about this Solana pump for weeks. You didn't miss you just didn't take the trade. You didn't miss a thing. You decided not to take it. But yeah, the amount of people that are taking politics way too seriously right now is like, ugh. I mean, I stand by it. I still think Kamala would have done way more for Bitcoin. Not in a good way. The short's turning around. Let's go back to Bitcoin then. Oh, it is turning around. Look at that. Look at that. See, this is why we can't claim victory right away. Oh my god, that reset so fast. Wow, that reset fast. See there, baiting in the shorts. Oof. Maybe a bearish retest? I don't know, maybe. We'll see. You can see the low, the higher low. We just gotta wait and see. Kamala would have made me money with the short. So, no, I don't think everybody realizes what I'm saying. Like, she would have done great things for Bitcoin. Because the track we were on, we had, which a lot of people don't want to realize, more bank failures under the Biden-Harris administration than we had in the 2008 financial crisis. More bank failures, and they were bigger. So I was like, whoa, that's crazy. And when banks start failing, Bitcoin does very well. So we were on the definite right track to have more bank failures, which in turn, Bitcoin would have flew. Would have been great. But now we have the strengthening dollar. Oh, God. Awful. We have 250 people coming in that are crypto friendly. That's true. A lot of them. With new organization. Yep. I think we will get good legislation with Trump plus firing Gary. Yep. Yeah, true. Trump loves the dollar too. He really does love the dollar. The dollar was pumping. It was scary actually. I was like, what the heck? We don't. So the funny thing, for world trade, we don't want the dollar that strong. Because then people don't want to do business with the US. They just don't because it's too expensive. So I was like, damn it, can we weaken this dollar, please? Can we turn that money printer on? Damn. Freeze Ross? I don't even know who Ross is. On a funny note, I had to make a TikTok about this on my I Make Fun of Things account. Apparently, in the 4 years that Joe Biden has been in office, he has not pardoned his son. I I was laughing. I was legitimately laughing. Space Maine. Free Ross. I don't know who Ross is. I really don't know who that is. So Ross Silk Road guy? Oh, okay. Trump was joking about pardoning Hunter Biden? Oh, he was joking? Okay, because I was like, wait. Biden didn't pardon him? What the hell? I said about 1.2 Sol over the weeks to put in copy trading account. You can... Wait, so you can make me some money? I'm hired? Nice. Don't worry, I'll be letting you guys know as soon as that thing is completely set and I am trading on it. As I said before, not trading with that account this week, but starting next week, copy trading will be live. I'm gonna make sure I have all the bugs worked out in it and I know exactly what I'm doing with it because I don't know if it's gonna follow all of my trades or if it's specific trades to copy trading. Because if it's all of my trades, oh man, you guys are going to get alerts left and right. You're going to be like, this guy just made like 10 trades today. What the fuck? And I'll be like, yeah, if I have time, I trade on the 5-minute chart. Like right now. Yo, Philip, what's up? How you doing? Welcome in. Alright, so Bitcoin, we can see the selling pressure continues. We are coming down. Oh, man. By the way, make sure you're looking at chat. If you're new, please feel free, join the community, join Discord. If you ever have any questions about charts or anything, there's a special tab inside of the Discord. You can just drop it in the chart request tab, and I will look at it. If it's just random middle of the day, you're like, hey, what do you think about this chart? I will look at it, I'll give you my opinion, and then you guys can make your decisions from there. Because noted, the way I like to dive into tokens, I go from high to low. That's kind of how we killed it on our big time trade not too long ago. It was because everything on the lower time frames looked absolutely amazing. But then you looked at the daily and you saw hidden bearish divergence, and it was like, well, guess we're going short. Like, no big deal here. But, yeah, so with that, it's like, if you need a little extra insight or say you're on the fence about a trade, I'm just there to be an extra voice, kind of like going to a doctor, getting a second opinion from another doctor, and then talking to your mechanic to make sure those doctors know what they're doing. Yeah, that's me. I'm the mechanic, so I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. Frog on Solana is doing good. I don't even know what Frog on Solana is. That's crazy, Crash. But I'm glad it's doing well. Oh, by the way, full transparency, I got out of Clown World. So, you guys know, I'm not in there anymore, because that was my hedge against the election. Yeah, I'm the mechanic. I'm here to change your fluids. Yeah. Alrighty. I want to also look at a couple meme coins, so let's take a look at Wow, look at Doge. What the I thought this thing was going down for sure. Holy crap. You're still holding Waffles on Sol? Waffles a meme coin? Pepe. We can take a look at Pepe. Waffles, please. What the hell is Waffles? I don't even know what Waffles is. We'll check it out. I swear to God, if I can trade Waffles. We're up 18% on this trade. Not bad. If I can trade Waffles. Oh, on our affiliated exchange? Okay, we can't. We're good. I'm not angry anymore. I'm not mad. Waffle goes to 1 billion. It is programmed. Ooh. I always love when they say it's programmed. I love that. I think they're lying. I love it. Alright, let's start out with Pepe. Thirsty, I'm so bad at looking at time frames and telling if it's gonna drop or not. Like how people can instantly look at a chart and be like, 4 hour wants to come down. Oh, well, like I hate to say it, Thirsty, but on the daily, this looks like it wants to come down. Reason why you say that, you have a high stochastic, very easy to identify. Hey, this might want to come down. You're hitting overhead resistance. Oh, it might want to come down. And can we check SYNT? Yeah, we can check that out. Oh, we're actually getting a bunch of requests. This is perfect. All right. So it's like you're at resistance, you're high in your stochastic, you're into the bullish control zone, but you're away from your moving average. You're like, hey, there's a lot of reasons for this thing to come down a little bit. No big deal. So then we're going to come down to the 4 hour. On your 4 hour, you can start seeing here's a high on your relative strength, lower high on the relative strength, high, high. We have hidden bearish divergence. Probably wants to come down. We recently just broke out of a downtrend. A great idea would be to backtest somewhere around this area. Just throwing that out there. Let's go ahead and drop down to the 1 hour. Now, 1 hour is giving us a lot of information here. So, we do have the hidden bearish divergence. You can see from the high, higher price, relative strength high, lower relative strength. So, the selling campaign has begun. What you're going to be looking for now is where is the lower high? Where's that going to be? We don't know. You got to find the lower high first. So then you can actually start creating a plan, start jumping into some shorts. What in the hell is ADA doing? Sorry, sidetracked. ADA's up 3%. You all have heard me 8,000 times. ADA's weird. It's like everything else is doing nothing. ADA, here we are, popping up. It's up 3.7%. This is crazy. Anyways, going down to your 15-minute. Now, this is where we're going to get some of the info we're looking for. So, right here, you can see the hidden bearish divergence, of course. Doge is running. I believe it. I'm just hoping Bitcoin doesn't start doing the same thing. Bitcoin's popping up, too. Doge is running. Look at that. Doge is starting to run, and Bitcoin's starting to get a little pop too. All right, so the 15-minute here on Pepe surprisingly has all the tools to break out of this current downtrend. All the tools to try and set up a triple hidden bearish divergence, which is nice to see because you still haven't hit overhead resistance. Is everybody... Oh, no. No. Bitcoin pushing up as well. We might get stopped out. This might be a very interesting night where we got to flip long and grab 2% to the upside on Bitcoin. Went to the wrong time frame. All right, so checking out this, we do have hidden bullish divergence on Pepe. Look at that. Slightly lower prices, slightly more strength on the 5-minute. This thing's getting ready to break out. With that being said, we have a fib level we could be looking for Pepe. So based off the information on the 5-minute, we could see something sort of like this. An 8.52% move to the upside. Very possible for Pepe. Past that, I have no clue where this thing could be going. But I would gamble this thing's going to go up. I would gamble that. Oh, Dogecoin up nearly 2%. Look at it go. Look at it go. I do like Pepe at this point now. But noted, it would be short-lived because once again, that 4 hour is not looking nice. That 4 hour looks terrible. So maybe you do pop up there, but you're probably going to turn right around right after it. So good luck on that. But yeah. So short term, you could possibly, if Bitcoin holds up, see 8.5% upside. But in reality, you're going to be looking to backtest somewhere down here at 1001 or even as low as 977 based off these candle highs. If you get below that, well, now you're just jumping into all the moving averages. We'll see how it goes. Waffles, let's go ahead and check that out. Waffles are better than pancakes. Waffles. Just saw an article says Doge to $10. That's crazy. It couldn't even hit $1, bro. That'd be another 10x. Yeah, 100x for you. That's crazy. All right, so Waffles has been falling. Whoa, Waffles is not in a good place. Oh no. Waffles is at that point where I don't even know why you'd want to own it, if I'm being completely honest. It's lost all support, it's hit an all-time low. You're waiting for it to confirm a bottom. So what I mean here is like you've only gone down. Actually, this is all downtrending too, even worse. So you've only fallen. People getting greedy, that's when the market breaks down. Exactly, because then too many people are going long right now. So when there's so much leverage on the long side, you're expecting a dump. Just expecting it. I'm just here to call it out. Like, hey, looks like we're going to fall. Just saying. We'll see how it goes. They might bait in a bunch of shorts also, or longs. They just might bait in those longs. If you ever break above this level, oh my god. If you ever break 1485 on Waffles, this thing going crazy. But yeah, Waffles needs to either confirm a bottom down here or do something different than just fall. Checking out your daily. Your daily's looking rough. Daily's looking rough. I mean, dang. Daily's looking real rough. Don't want that one. Don't want that one. Oh, talk about getting held down. Holy shit. Talk about getting held down. Volume spike. Yeah, the volume spiked greatly because like 3 people bought this token. But look at this. So you were in a downtrend. You tried to break out all of these days. You actually broke out and backtest on one of them. Then it shoved you right back down. That is crazy. So then you found a new bottom. The only problem with Waffles, when you come down, I'm not saying if at this point, when you come down, if you do not hit this level and get a strong bounce off of it to confirm the low, this thing could continue to the downside. And there's no telling where it stops because it's price discovery to the downside. So Waffles is looking a little rough. Grass chart looks like green boner. I mean, I looked at grass earlier today and I was like, holy crap, it broke out. Like, I was surprised. I was actually surprised. So going down to the 4 hour. 4 hour looks like it's trying to do something. Trying to get something going. You had hidden bullish divergence on the 4 hour. So maybe that's why. You also have some local level of support here. Right there. So if you do fall below this level, you're just expecting to come straight back down. Just straight down. No pass go. Straight to jail. But based off fib levels, it's starting to look like you might test that demand line. Yeah, it looks like you might test overhead resistance and the demand line. You're coming in for that 50% retrace. That yellow line actually lines up perfect with it. So if you can hold this level, you could possibly see Waffles go up about 61%. That would be a very good day for Waffles, but it would still be a bearish backtest where you could hit and then fall straight back down. So be careful with the Waffles trade, but if you do happen to lose this yellow level, that actually would be kind of better. Get that 31% downside, confirm your bottom, and then just buy it and hold. Just buy it, hold, and enjoy the ride. Because bull run on, baby. Just going to ride this thing out. Damn it, my Bitcoin trade not going well anymore. Damn it. That's frustrating. So frustrating. We're only up 2%. Oh, 1%? No. Can I check out Ponky? Sure, I need to check out another one real quick. S something. SYNT? Never heard of it. So let's go ahead and check out SYNT. Ooh, Bitcoin's about to stop me out, I swear. That's too bad. Alright, Sinternet. Hey man, Sinternet? Is this a porn site? Is that what this is? You trying to put porn in here? You're just hitting overhead resistance right now. So I mean, you're kind of in a weird spot. Is Dogecoin still run? Doge still running. Oh shit. Used to be Noia. Okay. ADA's up 4%. What is tonight? Honestly, Bitcoin's up 0.1112. Oh boy, give me porn vibes. Oh man, it gives me porn vibes, right? So this is a local level of resistance. Let's go out to the daily real fast, see what it looks like. Your daily, a little bit left to be desired. You did find a lot of resistance here. We're going to have to wait and see how the day ends. God, I'm about to get stopped out of my trade. I need to switch over to long for Bitcoin. Looks like Bitcoin wants to go up. Looks like it's going up. I'm going to hear a beep any second now. I can feel it. So this thing still has the possibility of another 16% upside. Pepe pumping. I literally went through how Pepe could go up 8%. Did you guys just not listen? I literally said that. Oh, how well is it doing? Pepe, yeah, Pepe's moving. Pepe's moving. Alright, so this thing on the daily, a lot left to be desired. You have a really high stochastic, starting to flatten out. You just got into bullish control zone, which is great. Sumin, please. What's Sumin, Rafa? What's that? I don't even know what that is. Yeah, we can check that out. Bitcoin, no. I think we're gonna switch to a long on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's doing things. Holy shit. And it's causing a reaction out of a lot of meme coins. Alright, 1 hour's trying to reset right now. Let's go to the 15, see what it's looking like. Ugh. I don't like that you lost your 50 simple on the 15. That's no good. Sui's memes. Oh, Sui's memes are starting to pop up? That's good. I guess we'll check it out. I hope it's on an exchange. Rafa, is it on an exchange? Can I find it on TradingView? If so, great. I will check that thing out. If it's not, I do have a $5 thing going. I don't like going to Deck Screener. So your 15 minutes says it wants to go up. It really does. So does your 5. Oh my god. How are you so oversold? On the 5. Look at that. So oversold. So you're expecting a bounce. This one's hard to tell what it could do just because it's in such a weird spot. But yeah, if you can manage to rally up from here, you're looking at a 16% jump. Dive your 5-0. What's up, y'all? Yo, what's up? How you doing? Yeah, this one looks weird. I don't know what to make of it. It's in a weird spot. Rafa, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. So I would be waiting. If you can get back above this 4236, hold it as support, and then start running, that would be great. That's where I could be like, hey, let's go. What's up, bro? You looked at Ton yet? I have not looked at Ton yet. I did get out of my trade earlier today. So yeah, I probably should look at Ton. So yeah, sorry I can't give more information on this. It's just you lost your support. You have a confirmed candle close, and it's literally going nowhere. This is rough. Do you only trade crypto? Ghost Pepper? Yes, mainly. I mean, every once in a while I'll trade stocks, but not that often. When I buy stocks, I'm normally just buying and holding. I don't do very much trading for stocks. Could I look at NQ? Sure, we can look at that. We got a little bit of a lineup real quick, but we can look at that. I'm still trying to figure out what I would do with this thing. I'd probably just wait, if I'm being honest. I would want to see either a support being hit down here at 3928 or hold this 4236. The fact that you fell through it makes it to where I wouldn't even trade this thing. If you did get in down here on this test, you're waiting to take profits until all the way up here at 4889. So that's all the insight I can give on this one. That's all I can give. Alright, so let's see here. Somebody brought up grass looking good. That's great. We already looked at waffles. Somebody mentioned another one. The Suey Man. Suey Man. Sorry to say, Suey Man is not popping up. I do not know where it could be. Is it on CoinMarketCap? It's gonna be a tall. This is gonna be a tail. Suey Man. That's literally a ticker symbol. It has a 760k market cap. Okay. Alrighty. Well, Rafa, I'm sorry. I'm not pulling up Dex tools. Not doing it. There's a $5 dono minimum. Otherwise, I'll look at it then. But other than that, I'm not looking at it. Ponky. That's what it was. Let's check it out on Gate.io because I believe... Did that thing just start moving up? That's crazy. So that coin you were asking about that we were just on, it started to go up. So it's probably going to go up. 16% target. 16%. Did Pepe go positive yet? The call for Pepe has stalled. Bitcoin has not stopped me out yet, which shame on you, Bitcoin. Shame on you, bro. All right, looking at your weekly. Plenty of room to move. Hey, Porky, can you look at Irene again? Sure. No problem. We're going to be looking at a few other things leading up to that, so stick around. Stick around. I don't even think it's that many things, come to think of it. So... I am interested to see what this NQ thing is. Is it a stock, Ghost Pepper? Is it a stock? All the levels that matter at the moment are right here. So let's go on into this. It's on the NASDAQ. Okay, alright. We'll check that out. Going out to the daily on this bad boy. Oh, interesting. Honky looking interesting. A very low supply line, but you also have this right here. Let's go with this. This makes more sense. Alrighty. Alrighty. Two different supply lines to work with. Plenty of room to go up on your daily. No big deal there. Your 4 hour is trying to reset while trading sideways. Holy shit. Alright, Ponky, you have my attention. Oh, Ponky wants to pump tonight? Okay, cool. If Ponky can break above this 5108 level, you're very quickly should see a test. 28% upside to 6552. Very nice. Am I Fijian by any chance? You kind of look like my cousin. I appreciate the compliment, but no. No, I'm half black, half white. I do play rugby. And I've been called Fijian twice while playing rugby, and I was like, thank you so much! You might like CRV, basement levels. That's true, it is. GFI. Octavio, what's up? Is that a crypto? Is that a stock? What is that? Bitcoin needs a healthy correction. You're not wrong. Drive your 5-0. You're not wrong. It does. But... we got some ETFs that are propping things up. So, ooh, this doesn't look good. Ponky, what are we doing? Oh, no. We have this subtle downtrend here. You're resetting that quickly on your stochastic on the 15? What are we doing? Oh, that's not good. Ew, Ponky looks like it wants to go down. That's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. So if Ponky cannot break above this, I mean, first move you're looking at, getting back down to 49.06. Let's just hope it doesn't get crazy. Let's just hope that. You do have a level of support down here. So let's see if you can maintain above 49.52. So that's what I'm seeing out of Ponky. You either need to break above this, hold above it, or come down here, hold above 49.52. If you can't do either one, very quickly are going to be more than likely back down here at 40.75. That would be tough. That would be tough. Alrighty, so now we looked at Ponky. Let's go ahead and look at NQ. Let's get off the 5 minute. Let's get out to the weekly where we need to be. Alright, NQ on the NASDAQ. NQXAU. Is this a gold ETF or something? First one. Wait, what? First one. Oh. It's on the CME futures. Got it. What do you want me to do with this? I don't. You're at all-time highs showing hidden bearish divergence on the weekly. I don't know what's going on here. There are good times to request. There are bad times to request. This is a bad time. You're literally hanging out at all-time highs. You're just chilling there. What does this thing even do? Oh wait, it's the NASDAQ 100 mini futures? Yeah, of course it's going to be at all-time highs. Like, Trump gotta like it. Oh, God. Alright, so with this, you basically just consider the trend is going to keep going. So naturally, you're just going to be like 1, 2, and 3. You are so far into price discovery. It's absolutely crazy. Bamboozled. Yeah. So I guess your next target based off fibs, you're looking at 25,889. Can I check out Aerodrome? Aerodrome? Sure. Lower time frame. I'm trying to snipe a trade. Oh, Bitcoin pulling back. Are we still in this trade? Holy shit, we're positive again. All right, let's go into the lower time frame because this thing looks crazy. What do you mean? You're killing me here, Ghost Pepper. This thing just looks so incredibly bullish. Like I don't know how you're gonna snipe anything. You're in price discovery. You know that? Gap filler, what is up? How you doing? Hello, welcome in. Welcome in, everybody. You didn't even think about a backtest. I think that's the worst part. Like, you had this. You just left. Bye. Later. We're not even going to look back. I guess now you're waiting to see if you can test the level you just broke out of? Whew. Yeah, so your hidden bearish divergence already played out. You're not overbought. This thing could keep running tomorrow. This is crazy. Kevin M. Ascending triangle, trying to break out 2120. It's already above 21,200. It's at 21,226. Already above it. So, like, if you wanted to say it was something kind of, it wasn't even an ascending triangle. You don't have a flat top. No flat top. So I guess now you're just working off of a trend line, which, God dang it. That is so bullish. What the fuck? Oh, man. Ghost Pepper, this is so crazy. This thing is absolutely crazy. I mean, you're breaking out of a rising wedge. That's what you're doing. You're breaking out of a rising wedge. That's what I see here. So you have a measured move where this thing could pop up 8.96%. Are we serious? This thing's crazy. I get Trump's back and we just had a rate cut, but golly. That's nuts. For the NASDAQ, that's nuts. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing out of this trade. I mean, You're flatlining at the top. Like, you're so overbought on the 4 hour. Oh my god. This thing's crazy. Yeah, but either way, it's set up for a short squeeze. So actually, let's see if there's the volume hanging out here. Yeah, there's nothing here. There's absolutely nothing there. So maybe shorts are just ready to get wrecked and fuel this thing. Yeah, that's insane. That's actually insane. Make sure to smash the like button. It's free and you be very successful. Not financial advice. That's funny. Oh my god. Yo, welcome in everybody. I didn't realize we had so many people in here. What's up? Is Porky about to predict a market crash? No, I'm not actually. Market is going up. Even though I do think the stock market is a little overvalued because things are going so well, even though it's starting to look like a recession is coming. So, be careful with this. Sorry I can't give you more advice, Ghost Pepper, but me personally, it's like maybe you get this 9% swing to the upside, and then it just falls. Bitcoin's starting to look a lot stronger suddenly. My trade should be getting stopped out any time now. It's fluctuating a lot. There's a lot of up and down going on. I guess Asia's awake. Alright, so I'm missing a few others. After NQ, I was supposed to look at something else. I know Aerodrome. Was Aerodrome next? Cool. ADA is pumping right now. Yeah, I was mentioning that. ADA was pumping. It's absolutely insane. We're starting to see some of the weird coins pumping. ADA is up 5% right now. Pepe went positive. If anybody took that Pepe trade, you're welcome. Told you, 8%, even though it looked bad on the higher time frames. I forgot Irene. That's what it was. Irene was next. Gee, thank you. So it was a stock. Is this it? Iris Energy Limited? I feel like this is the most stock things people want me to look at. That's kind of crazy. I've looked at this before. Excuse me? Is this the same person who told me to look at it in the past? What the That's amazing. But yeah, it looks like you're heading up to 1535. Last week you said 16. Yeah. Yeah. Looks like it's going. iFast traders. Were you just basically telling me to look at my work? Was that what this was? I'm glad it's working out if you're in on that trade. Really glad. Where else are you streaming? I'm on YouTube right now, Ghost Pepper. I'm on YouTube right now. I bought the dip on Cloudflare after earnings today. NET. Okay, sweet. We had a nice pump. Yeah, it was a pretty good pump. What's your method of creating watch lists on TradingView? Do you go to a website or do you use Crypto Screener on TradingView, or I manually enter all of mine. Manually enter all of them. Weed stock under Trump. There's a weed stock under Trump? That's crazy. I can't send a super chat. Oh, that's because we're not monetized. If you wanted to, there's a prompt that pops up every so often that talks about if you want me to go to Dex Screener, it's $5. And that's the link if you ever want a tip. Yeah, we're not monetized over here because I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet. So it's a work in progress. It's a work in progress. Anyways, I should probably just put it in the description one of these days. Wait, it might be in the description. Come to think of it. Yeah, it's in the description. I think I put it in there. I already did the work on this one, fast trade. So yeah, the pump has started. It looks like it can continue. The 4 hour, you're not even overbought. Your daily time frame, you're just getting started. So this thing could end up filling any day. Any day. You could just keep this going. So this is looking pretty darn good. I don't know what Iris Energy does, but the chart looked pretty swell. Looked pretty swell. I don't even see bearish divergence forming either. It's literally the start of the upswing. And if you manage to break that, you're going to be fighting for all-time highs because there's nothing above you after 1863. Nothing above you. Cover stocks. I think you'll blow up and post on X. Keep up the good work. I will do my best. Yeah, I can post stocks. I don't mind checking charts on stocks. I feel like the stock market's way easier. Just don't trade around earnings, honestly. Whoever made that trade after earnings, Cloudflare, Kevin, great choice. Because earnings will just be like, oh, it's going to go up. Awesome. Bitcoin miner and HPC AI. That's cool. Oh yeah, we're getting stopped out of this Bitcoin trade. Time to go long on Bitcoin. I'm sorry about the request. I'm going to pop into Bitcoin real quick because it is about to break out and it's going to stop me out, which means I need to go long after I get stopped. I'm going to allow the stop loss to hit. Oh my goodness, look at this 5-minute candle. Look at this crap. And it's pumping off that. Holy shit. Alright, we're going long. This is out of play officially. That's absolutely insane. Let's check the 15 real fast. We are stopped out. Oh my god, I think I just had too close of a stop loss. God damn it. That's too bad. Dogecoin flying? No, Dogecoin's at 2.2. Huh. Well, now what is absolutely in play is Bitcoin getting up here to 77,500. That is craziness. Let's jump into that trade. Actually, we'll keep it at 100x. Keep it at 100. Just go into the long. Got stopped out. Your soul short about to hit. Nice. Don't use stop loss, folks. Cody, you are nuts. You're absolutely nuts. Look at this thing. This thing is about to liquidate any short that felt like getting in there. BMET, no. You stop it, Cody. That's terrible risk management. That is terrible. 75,814. Can I get it that low? Yes, I can. 75,814. Is that what I said? Is that what I said? 814. Yes, it is. And 77,500. Makes sense. 77,500. 77,500. All right, should be fun. We are in the trade now. We are in the trade. I guess Bitcoin's pumping. Bitcoin go up. All right, so we looked at there's other things. Now let's go back to what I'm missing. What am I missing? Cloudflare, ton token. We looked at Ponky. I feel like I'm missing one. If you guys sent a request of anything, please feel free to just drop it in there again. GFI from Octavio. And Aerodrome. I think Aerodrome was first, then it's GFI. Aerodrome on Coinbase. Okay, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Looking good on Aerodrome. Looking really... Is this thing at all-time high? No, it's not. Okay. Let's go to daily. Daily. Why did I put that there? I don't know why I did that. Don't really know why I did that, but... So you broke out, you back tested, you made a higher low, gone. That's a weird spot to be in, but I would expect this thing to get up to $2.03. Really strange to think about. Shorting. You're shorting GFI? Or are you shorting Bitcoin? Got daily candle close there. And you got this low here. You're shorting BTC? It's probably a good idea. It just stopped me out of my short. And then, so I'm like, okay, cool. It got a breakout. Let's go long. Maybe it goes up. It's 1%. But Bitcoin, I don't know. I don't know. Noted, I'm also trading like on the 5-minute time frame. So there's that. I'm not going to be in the trade for more than like 2%. So you're not overbought on the daily. You're 4 hours trying to reset the stochastic while trading up. That's kind of cool. I will tell you, if Bitcoin stops me on again, we're done trading Bitcoin for the night. Yeah, this is actually trying to get a rally going now. That's kind of cool. Kind of cool. I don't even know where to anchor this. We're right here? Yeah, right there. Interesting. What was once support is acting as what was once resistance is acting as support on the 1 hour. So if this rally does start, you are expecting to get up to 178. That's nice. Hopped into a 40x BTC trade with you. I don't know if that's a good idea. Remember, these trades right now, this is for your entertainment. Honestly, it's for your entertainment. That's why there's such high leverage. Unless I was staring at the chart intently, these trades are more on the fly and less methodical, less thought process. 15-minute actually wants to go up. This is nice. 5-minute, a lot left to be desired. But you did break your current downtrend. Wait, no you didn't. Yes you did. Maybe. Oh, is it? You're trying to break out. You're trying to break out of this thing now. So you have a couple targets. If you can maintain above this 136.87. If you can maintain above. 76,400 maybe. Oh man, if it only gets to 76,400, that would be terrible. That would be so terrible. So you could see something out of this like a 24% rise and as high as a 42% rise is possible for Arrow. Who would have thought? I'm just a little worried about being so overextended, but it looks like you're 4 hours trying to get a golden cross coming. Thanks, bro. No problem. What's the contract for Aerodrome? AERO is the ticker. U-Hand, it is the ticker. So yeah, you got 2 targets up there. And if I were trading this personally, I would have a stop loss right below these lows here because you found support there before. Yes, sir, I have a little bag of Arrow. Not bad, not bad. Could you check out Cloud? Sure. I got to check out something else. GFI first. GFI. Wait, what? This is what it's called. Aerodrome Finance. It is a cryptocurrency, not a stock. Cryptocurrency. And apparently you can find it on Coinbase. Y'all hating on Ton tonight? That's what it was. Ton token. Damn, thanks. I totally forgot about Ton. Holy crap. I knew I was forgetting one. I was like, what is it? Alright, not hating on Ton token whatsoever. Ton, out of most charts, this thing looks so ready to blast off, it's actually obnoxious. So you have this downtrending level of resistance that you have broken out of, but you happen to be, check out Dunko on Sol. I've seen that coin. What is it about? The Aerodrome? No idea. No clue at all. Most coins, I have no clue what they are. No, it doesn't. What? Been holding Arrow since 43 cents. Okay. Ton token. Yeah. Oh, Ton token. It's Telegram coin. So Telegram coin, SEC tried going after him, so they changed their name to Ton and they renounced their contract or something. So now it's fully decentralized. People can actually build on top of the Ton network, but this thing right here, as long as you can stay above 477.6, you are literally buying to see glory. More than likely it'll get up all the way up to $6.96, but in the shorter term, you're looking for it to get this 11% jump, getting to $5.42 and hitting overhead resistance. That is what you're looking for. If you get a breakout, awesome. You're going to be looking for a back test somewhere around this 542 or even back down to 496. Ton token looks extremely strong. I was trading this earlier. I just got out of it earlier because I didn't want to hold it anymore. I was jumping into other trades. But on your 1 hour, this thing looks ready to go. Your 50 symbol moving average is running up here just to help give you a little boost. So Ton token does look good. Not hating on Ton. So Ton looks good. Now GFI Goldfinch. No idea what this thing is, but let's find out. Coming out to your weekly. Weekly, it looks like there's very little volume on this. That's fun. That is fun. Love that. It's great. Got a pocket right there. That's cool. That's swell. Yeah, there's so many levels. Golly. That's the only problem with these coins. At these levels. It's like, oh yeah, we can find resistance everywhere. It's great. It's a pocket there too. Oh my god. Alrighty. Go to the daily. Looks gross. Looks absolutely disgusting. Like you're gonna go down further. Oh, I need to have Bitcoin in my view so I don't freak out. Bitcoin hanging out at 0.3%. That's cool. That's cool. That held pretty well. That held pretty darn well. The open network. What is that? Arrow's base, I think. Is it really? I don't even know. Sorry if I start missing some of your chat. We're starting to get more people in here. I'm only human. All right? Only human. Do we actually... It's a channel? Oh shit. Well, this will be a lot easier. Okay. Do 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 do. All right, so for the channel idea, it looks like we caught a bounce off the heart line, which is really cool. The only problem is you're surrounded by a world of resistance. So what we would love to see here is if we can maintain above this 127.5. If we can do that, you can test the top again, but it looks like this is better than Tom Brady's offensive line. This is absolutely insane. Hello here, 18 like. Bloodsville, what is up? Could you check Turbo? Craig, I got you. Once we get caught up with anything else that I'm missing. I know I need to check out Dunko. YZ, by the way, Dunko, I really do hope it's on TradingView, because if it's on Dex Tools, there's a $5 dono minimum. I don't like going to Dex Tools. Just a heads up, just being transparent here. You're shorting Cardano. Bloodsville, you're wild. Cardano never goes up. You're shorting it. That's crazy. You did have this beautiful fall here. We got to check out Cloud. That's right, Crypto Naughty. Okay, we got to check out Cloud too. I have no idea why I keep shorting things. I like to say we have bear market PTSD. That's really what it is. On your 4 hour, you're resetting literally up against resistance. This is beautiful. You love to see this. On the 4 hour, GFI has a chance at becoming a varsity athlete. Checking out the 1 hour, it's Hidden Bearish Divergence. Oh god. Oh god. It's not good. Hidden Bearish Divergence, not that great. Made by BlackRock, I think, but it's supposed to provide decentralization loans on crypto. That's cool. I will never research into it because in a bear market, this thing is going down. It's going so far down. Alright, so you have a level of support that you're sitting on top of now. You have a level right below it as well. So if you can maintain above 142.9, you're sitting pretty. You're expecting a lot of upside. The upside that you are expecting out of this thing could be something like 22 to 39%. Based off what I'm seeing here. Let's see if your 15 wants to go down or not. Your 15 is not looking great. The stochastic reset while you're trading sideways, sitting on top of support, that usually indicates a dump could be coming. So be careful on this. You do have a demand line to think about. So if you do happen to break this demand line, fantastic, off to the races, enjoy the upside. But if you do start to fall, I mean, you got a level at 142.9, or you're probably going to come right back down to 127.5. If you do come down to 127.5 and you hold it, that is a fantastic area to jump into a long. Fantastic area. But we're going to have to wait and see. Wish I could send you a picture of the 1 minute long NQ. You got in on the 1 minute? I didn't even know that thing was actually trading right now. Look at Turbo. Harlem, we definitely will look at Turbo. That is one of the requests, so we will be looking at that. Rocket, that's crazy. Oh, so the 1 minute just started pumping up. It's always fun to see. Always fun to see. Alrighty, so now we're gonna go into I had it for a big run up in the spring, held recently, sold. I don't know. I got annoyed with the probability of bad decision, but I own IMX instead now. Not bad. Are you in any trade? I'm in Bitcoin right now, Bloodsville. Woo! Reviews. My guess is one more high before we go to 60K, ideally 81K. I could see something like that happening. I don't know about 60K though. So there's this weird metric that after every presidential election, that Bitcoin has never seen the price from that day. And I guess right now it's sitting at 62,000, 63, something like that. It's relatively high. And I was like, okay, that's cool. Cool. Bull run on. But right now it's just everything looks like it could pull back, could go up. We just don't know. We just don't know. And since we're going into Friday where futures trading ends up closing, I get a little worried about a weird pullback like in the middle of the night or at market open. So we're going to have to really see what happens. Steve, if you could have a chance, please check out Loose chart on Solana. 10 days old. Hit another 50% pump today. Cup and handle formation on the weekly. My bags are already packed, but others might want entry. Steve, we will check it out. Can I find it on TradingView? That's the biggest thing. I need to find it on TradingView, guys. All right, so we need to look at Turbo. We need to look at... There was another one before Turbo. I know it. What was it? Cloud. That's what it was. Got to look at Cloud. Checking out Cloud. I'm on the wrong time frame. Holy moly. Okay, mouse. What are we doing? Am I about to get stopped out to the downside on Bitcoin? What a shame. What a terrible night. Getting stopped out to the upside, then the downside? It's rough. Is there really a pocket right there? That's insane. This weekly candle's nuts too. Alright, all the levels that I care about at the moment. Let's go out to the daily. You had a great downtrend that you broke out of. I'm not really sure what you want me to look at for Cloud, if I'm being honest, because you've already made the move. The party's already started. So right now you're just looking to test 43.47 and then see what happens. I can't really do too much. It would have been better if you asked down here, because down here it would have been like, oh, you're nearly oversold. Doge pumping. Crypto Cruise, what is up? Is Doge really pumping right now? It's up 2.3%. Let's go. Let's go. It's a long-term hold. Lot of... Oh, you're talking about... Okay, you're talking about this one's a long-term hold? Well, I guess if you're looking at, like, a continuation of the pattern, you could look at it something like... Get the high in there, get the low. You're coming up to the 50% retrace. Maybe you get up to the 618, 786. If you can get above that 786, a good target is 5275 and 6703. So if the trend continues, these are just levels to look out for, and could be really good. But yeah, I don't have much more to say about Cloud. Let's go ahead and check out Turbo. I was thinking about jumping into a Turbo trade earlier because Turbo looks good. Yeah. So, checking out your daily. You can see we were in a downtrend. We popped out of it. Looks like a back test could be coming near a chart near you. Checking out your 4 hour. I love looking at charts that people call pumping. I'm like, it's up 4%. I recommend say moving. That's true. How high you think Turbo be at the end of the year? I wish I could tell you that. It's a meme coin built on AI. No clue. Honestly, no clue. Any meme coin, it's super tough to be like, oh, this is going to be the top. You can speculate, but that's about it. So I really don't have an answer for you, Harlem. I'm sorry to say. Don't have an answer. But what I can say is based off your 4 hour, as long as you can stay above this beautiful little level. Whoa. Wrong thing. Whoa. Give me that. As long as you stay above this beautiful little level right here at 8262. This thing has the possibility of going up pretty high. Pretty darn high. Actually, we're going to use this tool. Come think of it. We're going to use the continuation. So naturally, you're going to be looking to hit the 618. Coming up here to 213. Looking at the 786 up here. Turbo is just a meme coin. The AI part was just asking it how to make it, that's all. Oh, that's it? Really? Yo, what's up, Moon? How you doing? I thought it was actually made by the AI. I didn't realize that it was just like asking how to make it. So that's interesting. So nice common area for it to get to is anywhere between 26, 38, and 53%. But Bull Run Nomics will basically say that Turbo is about to go on a run, more likely up to like, I don't know, here, up to this 290705 level. Maybe. We'll see. But I mean, I've actually seen Turbo go 200% in a single day, so I actually wouldn't be surprised. Wouldn't be surprised. I refer to it as Bull Run Nomics, and this could play out by like December. So we'll say that. Nero ETH, yeah, we can check out Nero ETH. I got you. So that's Turbo. I think I'm missing something. If you requested something and I'm missing it, please just ask again. My memory is only so good. I know people told me to look at stuff on Solana. That's all I can remember. This chat's been flying today, and I appreciate you all. If you could do me a huge favor, please hit the like. Loose. God, that was it. Loose. Thank you. Reasonable. Can you look at Ape? Yes, we can look at Ape. Gotcha. You think Shiba Inu Army good? I do think Shiba, it's kind of an underlier. I think it's going to do way better than people think. The biggest thing, though, is a lot of people still believe Shiba is like a Donko. That's what it is. Donko. A lot of people think Shiba is still just a meme coin. It's a fully functioning layer 1. Like, it's kind of a big deal. What's Donko? Oh, not Man, is Dunko on Deck Screener? Because I can't find it. You know the rules for Deck Screener. You know the rules. Check out Suey. Got you. Got you. Loose. God damn it. Crypto Naughty, man, you are on point. Nice work with reminding point. Yes. Thank you for the reminder. Show us Shiba. We will check out Shiba. Oh, this is crazy. This thing's so new. This thing is so new. Oh my god. Wow. Not very much in between here. Not very much. Oh my god, this thing can pull back hard. Trying to reset your 4-hour. That's nice. Jasmine? Yeah, we can get Jasmine. So we got Sui, what? Ape. That was the other one. Ape. I remember now. Ape. Sui. Jasmine. Gotta pull out the pad and paper. You guys killing me out here. Ape, Shib, yeah, Shib. Cardano, Tia. Jesus. Nero ETH, that's right. Nero ETH. Okay, alright. Got it. Goon Poll. You're welcome for alpha. What is Goon Poll? What the fuck is that? Vote Crypto Naughty admin status. On poll. Polygon? Really? Actually, we're going to keep this over here so I can see it. Alrighty. Back to this. So loose. 4-hour. It looks like you're trying to reset right now. Going down to your 1-hour. 1-hour does look reset already. You have a demand line currently, which has formed, so you do need to break above that. If you can manage to hold this right here, this is going to be fantastic for you. So you could, in the shorter term, look for something kind of like this, popping up here to 10065. Hey, what's up, Chris? How you doing? Welcome in. If it ever opens up, I'll throw my name in the hat. I mean, it's always open. I like to bring people in as mods that have been here for a while. 15-minute, looking like a lot more consolidation is about to happen. So maybe you bounce around here, maybe you pop out. I don't know, but this thing is brand new. So you're just waiting to see if support holds. Because if it doesn't, this thing has a long way down. Ooh. Tried to wick out, but it popped back up. So, interesting little look here. Interesting look. Considering the market is moving upwards and it's Moonvember, I would think this thing could get the rally and it could go up 60%, hitting new all-time highs, where of course it could continue going from there. Definitely could. Alrighty. Next one, since I'm close to it, I'm going to just start knocking these out. I'm going to be a little out of order, so sorry, but we're on to Tia. So Tia on the daily. You did break back into your consolidation level. I did short this the other day. I enjoyed the gains. Dogs, you want to check out Dogs? Gotcha. Steve, no problem. Hold on. Dogs. Alright. So yeah, understand how I'm going to do this. I'm going to be going in order based off where it is on my watch list, and then we'll do the ones I got to type in later. Just don't get mad at me. Just bear with me. Bear with me. And if I start ignoring chat slightly, just tell me later what you requested. That would be great. All right, for the daily for Tia, it looks like you're starting to try and test your moving averages once again. This is a great sign. You're back above this small little consolidation you were in. Appreciate your engagement in the community. You've earned my subscription, Crypto Cruise. I appreciate you. I'm glad that I earned it. Hopefully you stick around. Also, join the Discord. It's a great place to be. While trading sideways, you're starting to reset your stochastic. Love to see that. You had this downtrend that was holding you down bad. Popped out of it. Love to see it. It would be even better if we could backtest this level of support. Really, really show that it's support. That would be great. But if we do break above 540, we still have a lot of resistance overhead. And we would be looking to, over time, of course, get up to 682.9. Let's go down to your 1 hour. Let's see if we can get into a trade. We could. We could actually plan for a trade now, which is surprising. Holy crap, can someone sell some Cardano? Bloodline, I told you, it was a bad idea. Cardano never moves. The fact that you were like, I'm going to short it, terrible idea. Absolutely terrible idea. So we have two different ways of looking at this. You can look at it as a bull flag, kind of like this. I need to get out. Yeah, probably. So if we do look at this as a bull flag on the lower time frame, very simply put, we would be looking for a move up to $5.79. If we look at it from the fib retracement level, which I kind of like this better because we do have resistance overhead, we could get to 551.5. Noted, you have to stay above 477.1. If you do not stay above that 477.1, you're broken back down from this. You would be expecting a back test of this former demand line and also a test of this $4.69 level. So be careful with TIA. If you manage to break above 540 and stay above it, great. Go long, enjoy the trade. If you break below this teal line, below this 477.1, you're more than likely going to come down and test your support down here. So that's TIA. It looks good for upside, honestly. Looks really good. 15-minute looks terrible. Looks like it's going to basically just bounce around for a while. But everything else looks really good. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the next one, which is from Tia Sui. Sui. Also, you're going to notice I'm not going to get to Shiba Inu until it's like the top of the list because of the way the exchange had Shiba, because it was like 1,000 Shiba, so it was at the top of my list. But anyways. So Sui is one of the weird ones that I don't really trade too often. I think it's better for like a buy and hold situation, but you were in this rising broadening wedge that you broke down from. And you had this demand line that you broke out, you back tested, you held. Now I just have to expect you're going to test the upper trend line at this point because you're fighting for all-time highs at this very second. So you're not overbought. I mean, you could see something crazy like a 37% gain out of Sui. Just saying what's possible. Don't get mad at the messenger. This is just the chart. Your daily says it's possible. Your 4 hour is resetting while you're up sloping in consolidation. That's kind of crazy. That's actually kind of crazy. I mean, you can see it plain as day right here. Plain as day. So let's just say you're more of a pattern trader. You'd be looking at something like this where you get up to $2.80. So Sui could rise from where it's sitting right now about 21% upside. Noted, if you do fall back down, you have support on this green line. You also have support at 205.74. So there's plenty of support below you. Just keep that risk management tight. Keep those stop losses tight. Don't listen to Cody. Always operate with a stop loss. Always. Never financial advice. Just a good idea. There you go. So this is your current supply line that you want to stay above. You have a low stochastic on the 1 hour, sitting in neutral territory on your relative strength. 15-minute looks like it wants to consolidate a bit more based off your stochastic. You're above almost all of your moving averages. This is really tight moving averages too. Holy shit. This thing might actually start rallying or dumping tonight while we're sleeping. Don't be surprised if you wake up tomorrow and Sui's up 20%. You heard it here live. You heard it here live. But yeah, it looks pretty good on the higher time frames. 15-minute looks like it wants to reset. So that's Sui. Let's move on. We're going to, looks like Jasmy, I think. Or it's Nero. Yeah, it's a Nero ETH. There we are. Nero ETH. Oh my. Do you have Nero ETH on the list? I am looking at it now. Looking at it right now. Nero ETH, very easy to tell. This thing looks like it's about to try and go up. You got a breakout. You tested it once. You tested it twice. You're sitting on the 50 simple for the 1 hour. This thing looks great. It looks absolutely great. Needless to say, this thing could go up 44%. It could go up 44%. Let's check the 4 hour. Your 4 hours trying to reset its stochastic a bit. You got room to run. That's really what it did. Gave you some room to run to the upside. That's kind of insane. Kind of insane. The lines you have, is that an indicator or do you draw them all? I draw them all. I draw them all. So usually it's either the daily or the 4 hour or the 1 hour. Depends on where I'm trading at. This one looks like it was a daily. We have the 2 candle high closes here. That's why I put a line there. It was acting as resistance until it wasn't. This is using it as support. Now it looks like we're using it as support once again. So if we are using it as support while not being overbought on the daily, you're expecting Nero ETH to have a 44% rise. Best part, our affiliates over there at Buy DeFi, you can actually trade this bad boy on leverage. Let's see if Weeks got with the program. Bitcoin trade not looking good. We're down 30%. Ugh, gross. Anyways, let's see. NEI, no it didn't. God, Weeks. Pull it together. Let's go. Anyways, Buy DeFi. You can trade this thing on leverage. Check Doge on ETH, the Elon one. What? What do you mean? There's a new one? Oh my goodness. So yeah, Nero ETH, I'm thinking is going up. Let's check the 15. Okay, it's the 15 that's undesirable. But you did have a recent downtrend that you broke out of. So maybe you come down for another test. Maybe you test down here one more time. But it's looking pretty good. Oh, Rich, you know the rules. I'm not going to Dex Screener, brother. It's a $5 minimum. I ain't doing that. Alright, moving on from Nero ETH, we have Jasmy. I feel like I just saw it. I did, it was at the top. Wow, Jasmy's doing a lot better than I expected. Jasmy's doing way better than I expected. Holy shit. So, Jasmy, not overbought at all. You were in a downtrend that you broke out of. Hoppy ETH. What's up, Gold Mike? How you doing? I'll check out Hoppy. It better be on TradingView. That's all I'm saying. It's got to be on TradingView. That address takes you to Dex. Oh, see there? Not going to a Dex. You're doing good. Mon-Iki on Sol. Okay, I think BTC going to 73.777 before more up. Maybe. Probably going to get stopped out. Probably getting stopped out. Which is a shame. Which is a shame. But oh well. Happens. It happens. I'm going to be trading like a monster tomorrow though. I don't do all those trades live. I get to get in my own zone and I'm like, yeah, here we are. Jasmine looks like it's getting ready for another run. Resetting your 4 hour while just maintaining its price. That's great. What do I trade? I trade crypto. What? I'm so confused. I'll trade everything. This is why my watch list is so huge. I'll scroll through when I find something that looks good, which also a lot of these things on the 1 hour look really good. A lot of these on the 1 hour look really good. So like Jasmine right now, I would be looking at this thing. Oh my, you're sitting in a perfect spot for me to get into a long. Absolute perfect spot. Actually, I don't even have to wake up early. I'm probably going to be trading as soon as I turn off stream. Yes, we are going to get to Shiba. I got you. Don't worry. I got you. Do I have to go to a Dex, brother? I just tried to make it easier by posting the address. Well, if you're posting the address, that means it's only showing on Dex Screener, and I can't. Doge Elon Mars. That's an old one. Holy crap. Doge Elon Mars. That's crazy. Check out Caspa. We'll check out Let me put it on the list. Actually, I don't need to. We're really close to it. I'll check out Caspa next. But no, it's just going to the Dex. It's frustrating. Block Dag. Caspa is the first Block Dag. Is it the first? I thought Kadena came before it. Maybe I'm wrong. But I know Kadena does the same thing. Alright, for Jasmine, we're looking for a move anywhere between 12 to 18% rise. And it does look like you have very good support right now. So as long as you can stay above 2047, you should be okay. Jack, I know you like drawing your lines and areas, interests. But you can try this one indicator that plots a lot of the market structure. Lux Algo. It's called Lux Algo. I know what Lux Algo does. Thanks, Jack. I appreciate you. No, I do know Lux Algo. A lot of people use Lux Algo. Is crypto your main stocks investing? No, I mainly do crypto. Stocks, I mainly just buy and hold. I'll buy and hold them long term. Like really long term. Like 5 years. Crazy. Kadena, can you spell it out for me? Never heard of it. You can look up the ticker KDA. But I'm pretty sure you just spelled it correctly. Do that mean no good? Meme coins that are really old, like Doge Elon Mars. I don't know if that's the Doge Elon Mars that's even the current one. Somebody could have made another one. That's the problem with meme coins. Kadena has a bunch of E's, not A's. Oh, okay, cool. So yeah, that's what I see out of Jasmine. If you do come down, you got support sitting down here at 1990. If you fall below that, 1773. But I'm expecting it to go up, so we'll see what happens. Next, we're going to check out Caspa, because Caspa's here. Yeah, I was talking about Caspa earlier today. Caspa, it looked really gross that it lost the demand line once again, but now on the 1 hour it looks like it's trying to do something. Let's see what your 15-minute says. That's the problem. Your 15-minute, you skyrocketed up while not doing anything. So I'm thinking Caspa is probably going to come back down to 100841. If you can come down there, test it one more time, confirm your lows, then this thing could rally really well. What do I mean by that? I basically mean you could start seeing something like a 60% move to the upside, hitting your 618 at 167499. It's very possible. S&P 500 has gone up 100% in 5 years. It took 5 years? That's a long time, Cooper. That is a long time. That's wild. What app is that? Are you talking about TradingView? This is TradingView. TradingView, you can check out all your stocks, you can check out crypto, you can check out a lot of charts. It's a lot of charts. CAS is on support line from previous highs. I want you to see this live where the previous high was. On this wick, this yellow wick. price action. That's still good though. I wish I would put 50K in 5 years ago. Yeah, that's the thing about investing. Everybody's like, I wish I put more in back when. It's gonna keep going up. Like that's all. That's how the stock market's designed. It's gonna keep going up. That's people's retirements. Gold Mike, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. You're absolutely amazing. Someone please throw a rock at Cardano. That's pretty funny. What do you think a realistic price would be for Kaspa in next bull run? Considering it's its first bull run, you have no idea. Honestly, thinking of shorting Cardano. Why would anybody short Cardano? Okay, seriously, guys, Cardano. We're gonna be looking at that chart pretty damn soon. I don't know if that's a good idea. Dogs, I definitely forgot. Nope, didn't forget. I will check out Dogs. I also need to check out what Goon Paul is. I don't know what that is. But yeah, since this is its first ever bull run, you have to understand, trying to figure out the price for a brand new tech in crypto, really tough. I mean, it's like really tough. So, I mean, maybe based off fib levels, you'll get somewhere around this 55.16, or maybe it shoots up to $2. You honestly don't know. It's kind of crazy. So, I mean, let's say people continue building on the Kaspa network and they really start utilizing it. You have to understand that's going to exponentially grow this thing. That's going to make this thing go absolutely apeshit crazy. For instance, on Binance, last bull run, Binance got as low as, I think it was like $9. It ended the bull run at $630. It is exponential growth. It is absolutely insane, and it's all within 2 years. It is nuts. So, for me to guess, I don't know. I honestly have no idea. I got to watch what was once Polygon, or what was once Matic, aka Polygon now, go from 0.5 of a penny to $3. Like, it was insane. So, I don't know. Look at QNT. Any good? We will check out QNT. But we checked out Nero, we checked out that, we checked out Jasmine, got Sui. We need to check out ADA, Ape, Shib, Dogs, and now it is you're heavy in Kaspa, trading KRC20 tokens. Nice. You're doing a good job. Thanks, Bloodsville. I appreciate you. I'm starting to take down notes and stuff. The hell's that? God damn it, Chris. You're sending me to... God damn it, Chris. All right, Chris.
Shorting Cardano.
Shorting Cardano? All right. Oh, I thought you were sending me to Dex Tools. Thank you so much for the $5 dono. I appreciate you. Honestly, I thought you were sending me to... to the bad place. That's crazy. QNT wrote it down. We got the ooh-woo here. I'm skipping ADA. I'm not skipping ADA. I'm in the K's, brother. I'm in the K's. All right. Moving on. I think we actually go straight up to the D's. Dogs. Casper. Power law narrative is dead? What do you mean power law narrative? I'm confused. I didn't know that's what they were going off of, if I'm being completely honest with you. Dogs, I don't think is worth buying yet. If I'm going to be honest with you, don't think it's worth buying yet. You have not confirmed a bottom. So, Dogs, you're in a waiting period. But let's see if you can get a pop. I need that to happen to Cardano. Oh, man. It's funny when people short at bad times. Ew, that's... Ew. I hate all those levels. I hate all those levels. Oh, I hate all those levels. How do I feel about XRP? I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. I mean, it's great that XRP is now gonna like stop with all these getting sued things, but Gary Gensler just gave him like a giant FU by sending it to appeals court. So that thing, it's got a lot of work to do to be good. It's got a lot of work to do. Well, Dogs has a chance now to get a rally in. Okay. So dogs, as long as you can hold above this 5116 level, you could be testing that 7158. Not bad. Noted, you need to come down and test it. There's not like, oh, it's just going to go up. No, you have to test it because you've only gone down. So you need that higher low to actually create the trend reversal. Do not jump into this trade early. It's a very bad idea. Don't do it. Never financial advice, but just, I mean, you're like, hey, I'm gonna gamble with like anywhere between 6 to 11% downside. Don't do that. Just don't do that. Even if you get a little pop, don't do that. No, it's a bad investment. Wait to confirm your bottom. Just wait. You got your hidden bullish divergence on the 1 hour. You lost your trend. You already lost it. Here was your trend. You already lost it. Now it's time to go down. There you go. So maybe you fall 6%, maybe you fall 11%. I would prefer the 11%. That would be great. What moving averages do you use? 200 day? I use the 200, the 100, and the 50. So yeah, this thing, it's like, it's cool and all, but I would be looking for shorts. 100% looking for shorts. Confirm your I might short this thing after stream. I'm not even joking. I might short this because it's like, this is easy street. Simple. You got a beautiful demand line now. Oh yeah, simple. XRP's a scam. Sorry, it could be. Look at the price from 2018 now. Pretty sure it's 51 cents for both. Yeah, it's like a stable coin. XRP. Come on, wait, what? Hold on. XRP hater, just wait. All countries using the ledger. Whoa. Did we really get people like talking good things about XRP suddenly? This is crazy. Trump will fire Gensler, yeah. No, you gotta understand. XRP is used to literally, they'll buy the token, send it overseas to sell the token. It should not go up in value based off that. What it would go up in value on is if Ripple actually decided to make all these banks buy the token, not on OTC. Like, hey, you have to buy the token on the open market. That would be great. But XRP donated to Kamala? I didn't know that. I regret buying... You regret buying XRP? You have over 11,000 tokens? Jesus. So I don't know if Trump will be on board. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think Trump will care, honestly. Most of the crypto space doesn't care about XRP. When you end up seeing the top holders for XRP, XRP Army doesn't care about XRP. The fact that you hold 11,000 tokens of XRP, you are in the top like 5% of holders. It's crazy to think about. You're in the top 5%. People could accumulate that thing for the last 5 years, to my knowledge. It's absolutely insane. Yeah, they did donate, playing both sides. I mean, as donations should, because you don't know who's going to win. So you just really want something that you, like, you're going to play both sides. Everybody does. Yeah, every coin can do what XRP does. It's true. Every coin can. Alright, so we checked out dogs. I'm expecting it to drop simply because you did not confirm a bottom. You had a nice little pop up. It's great. You're holding 800 million SHIB. Hope it pays off. I think it will. And we're getting close to the SHIB, so give me one sec. We're going to check out ADA real fast, then we're on to SHIB, and then we're going back down to QNT. So ADA, here we come. Actually, let me take a glance at Bitcoin real quick. God, this trade got smoked. Too bad. 2 trades in a row getting smoked like that? That's crazy. ADA. It's going to be the random green. Wow. See, this is that bullshit. This is that bullshit, man. You guys that have been here, you heard me a few days ago talking about, oh, wow, look, it held support. Oh, it got back above green. Watch, one day it's going to be up. It's marked out. It's marked out from when I mentioned this. It's marked out. You got overhead resistance at 45.36. After that, expected to do nothing. I just don't expect it to do a damn thing after that. I'm not a genius. I was just saying, I was mentioning it pretty obvious. I was like, no, the whole market's pumping. ADA isn't doing shit until suddenly one day it does. And it's going to be something random, like a 20-30% upside swing. And then I marked this out. I was like, 27%. That's what it'll do. Here we are. Because it fucking does that. So look at the last time it did that. It was doing nothing, hit resistance, boom. Shot up. You're like, what? Hey. And everyone misses it. Every time. Everyone misses it. That's how ADA is. I've been holding for years. Yeah, it sucks because you're just like, I wish I knew that they were going to do this. What happened? Nothing. Just said, hey, we should buy some ADA. So right now you are breaking out of your downtrend, which is fantastic. As for trying to get into a fresh long, bad idea. But your overhead resistance at 45.36, if it continues, gets a little crazy, you might hit 48.95. Trump won. What? We know that. Bloodsville, you weren't here. We were watching that like live. Yeah, we were watching that live. But yeah, so this thing has a little bit more left in the tank. I wouldn't recommend trying to get into a fresh long on this thing. Oh my god, look at how overbought you are on the 4 hour. This thing's nuts. No, that's why ADA is moving. Oh, gotcha. Maybe. Yeah, oh my goodness. How overbought can you get? There's a problem with this thing. Fresh short. I can see why you all are like, I want to short it. You're not going to be able to short ADA for like 5 days. I say 5 days. It's just not going to fall. You're just not going to be able to short it. Trump won. That's why Bitcoin went crazy. That's true. That's true. That is true. Bitcoin it's just pooping on me though. No, I honestly don't think you're going to be able to short ADA for like 5 days. That's not what I want to hear. Sorry. Facts? This coin doesn't move at all. No, seriously, ADA never moves until randomly one day. Oh, what is that? No, that's just ADA doing its thing. No big deal. All right, so Shiba Inu. Let's get serious here. Shiba Inu. This thing is ready to explode. Honestly, ready to explode. So, it has been consolidating for far too long, in my opinion. Far too long. You're finally breaking out of your consolidation. Fantastic to see, but you had this massive falling wedge that you broke out of. You've been trending up. You have not been putting in any lower lows at all. So now you're just looking for the next leg up. Do you day trade crypto mainly? Oh yeah, a lot. Is this the trenches? What do you mean? I'm so OP. What do you mean? Is this the trenches? Are you talking about... No, like, this was the trenches down here. But it's Shiba Inu just working its way up to making this massive move. You still have 105% upside on SHIB. You finally broke your consolidation. Finally. So naturally, on a regular move up, you're looking to hit this 2677. If it continues past that, you're getting that 100% move. Looking at your 4 hour time frame for SHIB, you've reset while trading sideways. That is great. Awesome. Might need to jump in a bit more into SHIB. And considering Dogecoin got all the love, I'm thinking SHIB holders are just like, hey, where's ours? And it's getting ready to move. Currently, it's looking like it's getting ready for its move soon. Ooh. Currently on a breakout on the 1 hour, low stochastic, neutral territory and relative strength. Do you trade on Bulk's meme coins? No. No, I do not. Now our taxes with day trading, much to be concerned about. Only if you decide to send it back to Coinbase. Our affiliated exchange is no KYC and no VPN. Uncle Sam doesn't know about all my trades? The heck? Sui and Sui memes are on fire. Blub beam up. Interesting. I'll have to check those out. I didn't know that. 15 once this 15-minute resets for Shiba Inu, I would expect SHIB to have a pretty good run up. We're looking for something like an 8.24 to a to a 11% move for Shiba Inu. Just needs to reset this 15. Looks like it'll be ready in, I don't know, maybe 2 more candles, so maybe 30 minutes. Thing looks pretty nice. Pretty darn nice. You also have this upsloping level of support. Oh, love it. Love that. So even if you come down, you're expecting to hold this, get a stop loss below this low. You should, I'm not saying you will be, but you should be okay. Should, not will. Should. All right. Moving along. QNT is next. Did I really find the chart that I don't have any lines on? Son of a bitch. All right, well, here's a nice little view on QNT. Looks beautiful. Here's a nice little view on how I get my lines. So on the weekly, we find the weekly candle closes. This is going to find really strong levels of support and resistance. So we have a nice little pocket down here that we have not only hit once, we hit twice. This is confirming your lows. This is actually beautiful. After that, we're going to look at where your next candle low close. Here it is. And then where's your candle highs that could be bothering you? Right there. Another pocket to deal with. Kind of blows there. But if we break it, oh, we got a stupid level here. God dang it. You know what? We're going to go for the higher one. This one makes more sense. Right there. That makes a lot more sense. So there you go. And then we have these highs here, which makes sense. Cool. So that's what we're looking at. Going down to your daily. Daily, you had this beautiful downtrend. Looks like you're going to get a back test on the downtrend. That's kind of cool. Great little downtrend here. Actually, damn it. I hate it when it does that. You had a sharp drop and then a consolidation down. So now we have to mark this out kind of like this. We're hitting the resistance again. So maybe we do get another touch down. Maybe we get a higher low now. Higher low would be very welcomed. But this is annoying to find because you're just hitting overhead resistance. Annoying. Going to your 4-hour time frame, you're resetting. It looks like you want to break out. Your 4 hours says you're going to break out. If you do break out, you are expecting price to get up 24% to $76.50. If it continues going up, you're looking at 36%. So that's kind of good. Let's go down to your 1 hour. Your 1 hour looks ready to rock and roll. The bad part, you are below your 50 simple, so the consolidation could take a lot longer than you expect. Just be careful on that. Let's go back out to the 4 hour real quick. Find some levels that could act as support simply from price action changing directions. So we do have this right here, which acted as support once. Maybe you come touch it again. We'll see. And then you have a little bit lower spot right here. So there you go. Look at Doji on Mars. Okay. I better be able to find it on this. I'll tell you, better be able to find it on this. I do have a rule. If it's for Dex Tools, it is a $5 donation because I don't like going to Dex Tools. I really don't. Let's see here. We got the QNT. We got to check out Goon Pal. What is that? Gopal? Oh my god, I skipped Ape. Oh no. You're right. I fucked up. Thank you. That's on me. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Ape looks great. Ape actually looks great. If you look at it on the weekly, it looks really, really good. So it does look like Ape is getting ready to go for a run. Ape away from Ape. No, crypto naughty. This thing looks good. So, needless to say, you're in the depths of like resistance. It's just a great area to accumulate, which is nice. You're resetting your weekly stochastic. That's the scary part about this. Going to your daily time frame, you are in neutral territory. You're pointed up on your stochastic. It could bleed down a little bit just because you're still consolidating. But let's go down to the 4 hour. Your 4 hours reset. That's the big deal. Your 4 hours reset and you're in an accumulation range. If you can stay above 99.3, Metaverse coming back, yes or no? eToro, maybe. I don't know. If Metaverse is coming back, you're going to see things like Sand, YGG, Ape, Gala. A lot of different gaming tokens will be coming back. Decentraland, Mana. Oh my god. So Ape, at first you're going to see probably a 23% rise. Maybe it gets as high as a 31%. But it gets crazy if you break that level. Because you could be going to $2 or $2.30. Could be a 122% run coming in the future for ApeCoin. Maybe it starts doing it this weekend. We don't know. But ApeCoin looks very, very good here. Did I get stopped out of my trade yet? Holy crap. This is the absolute longest I've been in a 100x trade. We're not stopped out yet. So we're just going to let it ride. How's that Pepe doing? Oh, it rejected. Didn't go all the way. Too bad. Ew, Ape is junk. It might be junk, but this junk wants to go up. That means if you're right, Beam will skyrocket. It's a game coin. Yeah. I think the gaming tokens are going to have a much better year next year. I think next year's the gaming token year. We're going to see, of course, but I think that's the year. I can't find Goon Pal. I'm guessing whoever requested Goon Pal is gone, or are you still here? Because I'd like a little more information so I can look that up. ADA is about to bust. I mean, ADA is just strong today. And then it'll go sideways. And then it'll do nothing for 6 months. What was I about to look up? Doge Elon. There it is. It's called Elon. Got it. Got it. I think Goon Pal is a troll. I mean, maybe. I don't know. I've never heard of it. And if it's a crypto, honestly, it could be anything. It could be anything. Wow. Doge Elon confirming its lows. Wow. Look at that. You're in the buy zone down here. Holy. You are in the buy zone. This is your accumulation range. This is beautiful. This is actually a beautiful place to be. Oh man. I think Ape is good for day trading. Can't tell you anything about it other than that. Exactly. Reasonable? That is completely reasonable. Most of crypto is great for day trading. Most of it. Doge Elon's peak degeneracy. It really is. It really is. But you got your levels. You got your levels. Always worth taking a stab at it. Unless it's ADA. So, it's funny, because ADA, it moved finally. Everybody's going to give it some love, and then it's going to just die off. Like, oh, I guess we were wrong. Yeah, you were. Because it does nothing all the time. So is it a good or bad? Is it coin good or bad? It's a good area to buy. It's a terrible coin, but it's a good area to buy. Harlem, by chance, are you newer to crypto? Just curious. So remember, if I call something crap, it doesn't mean that it won't go up. Crypto's amazing that way. Assume most coins are bad. Yeah. Oh, you are new. Okay, okay. So, yeah, in the crypto world, you have Bitcoin. You have some other coins that people believe have a lot of value, and then you have things like this. This is referred to as a shit coin, like the epitome of shit, because simply there's no any type of value. There's none. It's just fun. It's literally going to the roulette table, throwing some money down, hoping you win. That's really what this is. When it comes to day trading, is crypto the best or regular stocks? I got a lot of questions. Sorry, Cooper. Ask all the questions you like. That's the point of this stream. Crypto, way better. You got bigger swings. Much bigger swings, much faster swings. During the elections, I pulled off something really cool within that day. I got an 11x just off day trading. It was absolutely amazing. The volatility here is 10 times more than what you got in the stock market. And it's 24/7. So it's like, say you're up super late at night, can't sleep, and you feel like, hey, I just want to play with some charts. You can. It's absolutely wonderful. Layer ones usually hold most value. Rich, you stop it. Solana went from $260 down to $9. Fuck you mean? No IP, no originality, no community equals trash. Okay. Are you talking about this Doge Elon coin? But yeah, this thing here, it's just... You got a breakout, which is fantastic. It's your second breakout. You're looking to hold above 1584. If you don't hold above, then you are definitely looking... Or wait, if you do hold above, you're looking for a 55 to a 64% rise. Meme in general, yeah, that's true. It needs that community. Needs it. Polkadot, ICP, alright, Bloodville, alright, put me to work, I see you. Crypto's cool, like that, 24/7, high volatility, around the clock, a lot of pairs, that's true. Tons of pairs, because there's a bunch of people who just... It's a trader's market. That's really what it is. It's a trader's market, Cooper. So it's way better for day trading than stocks. Anyone gonna buy CBDC? Central bank digital currency? Is that what you're saying? I'm getting sick right now looking at ADA. ADA is up 9%. What are you sick about? For the new guy to crypto, I was making a point that layer 1 coins are usually good investments. During the bull run, absolutely right. Great thing to buy, hold for the bull run, but as soon as you see a whiff of bear market coming, sell it. Sell it all. Don't even think about it. No diamond hands here. That's the big difference between stocks and crypto. Crypto, take profits. Stocks, hold that thing. That's retirement. Hold it. ADA is going to 45. Holy, I said that. Stocks feel slow as fuck sometimes, but some traders prefer the calmer volatility. That's true. That's true. Some traders do prefer that calmer volatility. That's absolutely right. And the funnier part is, like, stock traders will say Bitcoin's super volatile, and I'm like, that's weird because it seems so tame. They're like, what? Yeah, I don't know. I'll trade meme coins on 20x leverage. They're like, oh, you're insane. Nah. Not insane. Doge Elon. It's about to break out. Guys, this thing, wow. 64% upside could be happening. Can I trade this? We're still not stopped out. Wow, I'm amazed. I'm amazed. Elon. Damn it. Hold on. Let's go to the other exchange. Maybe they have it. Okay, they don't have it. Alright. BTC is boring now. You're right, because it's in the middle of the night. It's not supposed to do anything. This is a chance for all the other coins to go crazy. And I can look this up, but do you have to pay tax on your day trades if you don't deposit your money to your bank? With the government possibly listening, you always have to pay your taxes. You have to pay your taxes on every amount of income they can see. So let me tell you a little bit about this no KYC exchange. It's called Weeks. It's wonderful. You can deposit directly on the exchange. They don't have to know who you are, and there's up to $200,000 daily withdrawals. Yeah, just letting you know that. By no KYC, that means the only thing you need to sign up for this is an email address. And I highly recommend downloading Google Authenticator so that you can withdraw. But if Uncle Sam finds out that you're making money with your email address, well, first off, I'm really curious why your email knows what your driver's license is. I would love to know that. Charlink? What's Charlink? K3 Music? What is that? Is that a crypto? Charlink. Link SMA 200 buy. Let's go check it out. I think this was the last request. Holy crap. We did such a good job with the requests. I feel good. I feel good right now, guys. Great transition into the ad. I felt like it was. The link is popping up in the chat for Weeks, our affiliated thing. Oh, and that link that just popped up right there, if you want to leave a tip for your boy, appreciate you. Anyways, guys, it's Chainlink. Is that what it is? Okay, I'm gonna check out Link real quick. Link. Let's check it out. So you're talking about the 200 SMA. Are you talking about the daily? Because you're hitting it as resistance. Trump needs to fire those 85K IRS agents by not. Fuck yes, he does. Oh my god, that was so many. Whoa. Oh, Wizall, thank you so much for the sub. Appreciate you. Swim just pays capital gains on the what they take out. Yeah, that's how a lot of crypto people do it, honestly. Message rejected. Crypto Naughty, what did you say? What did you say? I missed it. Oh, you were talking about Swim. Got it. I read it. All right. So yeah, checking out Link right now. It is in a very interesting spot. You're testing your 200 daily. Kind of rough to say, hey, let's buy it right now. But let's go down to lower time frame. Really, really tough sell. Really tough sell because all you did was break upward. That's it. You didn't back test a damn thing, and you're just moving. Currently, you're not only hitting just the overhead resistance of that 200 simple moving average, you're also hitting the resistance that held you back last time. So I would expect it to come down, consolidate a bit around this level before it goes up again. As long as we don't get some crazy pump out of Bitcoin, suddenly this thing should backtest something around here. On a backtest or resetting your stochastic, getting your relative strength back in neutral territory, those are going to be a lot better places to get into a fresh long. But no, Link did very well. It's just you need it to cool off. It's just a little bit too high. Just a little too high. But noted, I've seen Link do some crazy things. And if it's about to get the respect it deserves, this thing's probably going up to 1879. We have to wait and see. But for a fresh long right now, kind of a hard sell for me. You're going to want to see some consolidation above that 200 simple moving average. And then you can decide a lot better. So we're just going to have to wait and see, K3 Music. Sorry to say. Just going to have to wait and see. As long as you want good risk management. Noted, you could YOLO into a trade at any time. It's okay. 15-minute, I don't like it. Lot of hidden bearish divergence. 15-minute looks like you're about to roll over. Bad. You started your hidden bearish divergence back here. Holy shit. Wow. You just kept going up. Just kept going up. Strength falling off. You're about to see this thing dip. It's tough. Thoughts on SUI and its network? SUI and its network, it's pretty solid. When I found out when it first came out, it was backed by Binance. I already knew it was going to do well. I just didn't realize it was going to do as well as it is now. Currently, I think it could go up about 21%, but we're going to have to wait and see. SUI is one of the most dangerous things that you could try shorting because it just stops out the shorts nonstop. Just nonstop. Always stopping out the shorts. I don't understand how they do it, but, they're doing it. I got to short it one day. One day. Every other time, I was watching it, and I was like, okay, it should keep going down. Never mind, it's breaking out. What is that? Why? Just didn't make any sense. Oh, boy. Worried on unlocks? Does SUI have unlocks? I don't know, because if they do unlocks, nobody's selling it. It's kind of crazy. Is Bitcoin finally going to stop me out here? Ugh, we're down bad. I'm just going to close out this trade. Low, lower high, lower high. Yeah, I should probably just close out this trade. That's too bad. Looks like the short at the beginning of the stream that I got stopped out of was the best option for Bitcoin. That's too bad. But yeah, looking at SUI, let's see if once you get down to this line, we're going to see what it does. If it even gets there. Look at the 15-minute. You're resetting your stochastic already. SUI might be getting ready to go for a run. It just might be getting ready. These are very tight moving averages on the 15. That's something we haven't seen out of a lot of other coins. Looking at your 1 hour, you're still on top of your 50 simple moving average. Thing looks strong. So either Bitcoin's going to pull back strongly and pull this thing down with it, or Bitcoin's going to just chill and SUI's about to go 21%. Or I guess now 22? Pretty close to 22%. And that is based off of this as a bull flag idea. Some people are going to say it's a symmetrical triangle. I'm not going to argue. But you do have support sitting right below you at $2.16. SUI's insane. It's actually insane. It's so strong. Like, I wish I had steroids. That's crazy. Dogecoin, look at it go. Going for the breakout. Look at that. Maybe we're going to see Dogecoin up at 23.42. The short idea, gone. Absolutely gone. Just wanting to rally. Wow. And then you look at dogs, it's the exact opposite. The exact opposite. Like, oh my goodness. Dogecoin, you're like, wow, that stochastic's awfully high, but you're not overbought. Dogs, you're like, wow, that stochastic's really low, but you're not oversold. Complete opposite. Oh, Bitcoin, you turd. Okay, I feel like Bitcoin's just out to get me now. This was a great stop loss. And it's just like, nah, bro, you should have kept the short in. Okay, you got me. You got me, Bitcoin, twice tonight. Oh, it hurts. It hurts so bad. Even with the tight moving averages, you broke above it, you held it as support, then you didn't. Oh, too bad. Do you remember about Polkadot? Nope, totally forgot. Let's go check out DOT. If ADA is moving, DOT's moving too. That's really what you need to know. If ADA is moving, DOT is moving. You have officially gotten back above that supply line. That's great. That's awesome. You got a little bit of resistance at $4.34. DOT just to get to the next level. You could see it continue its rally about 14%. Another short. Once again, DOT, it's in the same camp as ADA. It doesn't move until one day when you're not expecting it. You're like, hey, what was that? I didn't get that trade. Who's in there? No one. The market maker, that's it. Nobody's in the trade. Did Bitcoin just save us from dying on the short or on the long? How did we not get stopped out yet? That's where I'm concerned. We're not stopped out yet. We're still alive. That I'm impressed with the Bitcoin bulls. I'm quite impressed with them. Let's go out to the 4 hour. 4 hour looks like you're trying to get another leg up. I mean, you're just popping through there like a pimple right now. What you're going to really want to see is a break and then a back test on top of that 434. Once you get that back test and it holds, oh yeah, DOT, it's ready to start moving. And not to mention, if it does get that back test, 588 next target, which could yield you 38% upside. XLM thoughts? Is XRP moving? If XRP is moving, XLM will do great. Ooh. Is this a daily close? Oh, it is. Oh, it is. Wow. So you had this local downtrend here. That you have an official breakout. You get that back test, this thing might actually test the next demand line or even break out. Wow, XLM might have a really good weekend. That is one weird thing I've noticed about XLM. It will pump on the weekends. And I was like, I thought banks were closed. I don't understand. But yeah, it's willing to pump on the weekends. It's kind of shocking. Bitcoin going positive. Look at that. What do I think about Bitcoin dominance? I will check that out. Bitcoin dominance, last time I looked, it was like 60%. It was so high. It was so high. We'll see. Oh my god, this thing does want to break out. Okay. XLM, we could see a 27% rise. XLM, everybody. I mean, you are pressed up. You are literally making out with resistance. You're just macking with it. And people are about to call the cops because of PDA. Like, get a room, bro. This looks really good for a breakout, though. Looks really good. Can I hold a few $100? What, I got you next week? My goodness, Kevin. We don't do that around here. Yeah, bro, here you go. We didn't vote for handouts. We voted for working hard. You stop it. By the way, Kevin, if you ever need money, focus on being good at trades. Compounding your interest is great. I need it for options expiring tomorrow. Oh my goodness, you're wild. Focus on this. Let's say you had $100. 75%, 8 trades in a row. Compound that shit. You could end up with 8K. Just saying. What's up, gang? What's up, Dan? How you doing? How you doing, Dan? Dan the man. What is up? I'm really surprised I'm saying, but yeah, XLM could have a 27.5% run soon. Like soon. I'm so confused. What are you compounding in? So it's like USDT. If you wanted to, I like to do this pretty often where I'll compound my trades. So I just take all profits and throw it into the next trade. And yeah, you'll end up seeing I'll have like really low amounts every time I'm streaming. But then I'll just start compounding them. Once I get to a certain number, I take profits, throw it into the bank account. Don't worry about it. Or I just go into a lot of DCAing. You mess with futures at all? A little bit, here and there, Dan. Yeah, I would say I mess with futures a little bit. I say that as we're in a 100x leverage long for Bitcoin that we're about to get stopped out in. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm trying that strategy out. Try 5% gain and take out. Okay. There we go. Yeah. So Kevin, one thing I found that my method, I don't know if it'll work out for you, but I will show you my method when I'm day trading. So this day trading method. Oh my god. Bitcoin Cash is ready to go up to $450. Bitcoin Cash is ready to go up to $450. Just thought I'd give that PSA real quick. Anyways, so the way I like to go with my day trades, so let's take Bitcoin Cash here for a second. On the 15-minute time frame, because let's say you had some shit to do for the day, you're like, you know what? I just don't want to focus in on trades. Fair. Fair. So you'd use whatever time frame you're looking for. And well, I got out of the short positive. Oof. Well, hey, at least you got out. So what I like to find in these very short time frames is trends. So right now you had a high and a lower high. Currently you have broken out of that. This is a really big deal because you also had resistance sitting here. You've had a consistent just consolidation. So let's say you decided, oh, here's your high right here, and then here's your low right there. So now you would be looking somewhere in this green area, 50 to a 382 pullback. That would be your entry right in this green little box, and your take profit would be up here at the top at the 1272. So you would be looking at, hey, you know what, if we get, let's just put it right in the middle, we get our entry, and then we put in a 5.83% gain. This would be great. Stop loss would be somewhere below this 1.7. In an ideal world, you'd be having your stop loss down here at this red line at the negative 0.5. But you then would be focusing in on this price should go here. And it looks like it's getting ready to go here. So you can end up putting your leverage based off your stop loss. So let's just say you entered right at that point. Stop loss would be right about here. That's a 1.85%. You could go as high as about 50x leverage, just because you're expecting the price not to get down there. So then your 50x leverage long, if you execute it, now you're getting nearly 6%. You're looking for 300% gain. So that would be what you're looking for. If you're going on a big cap like this, I mean, yeah, it's going to take you a long time to execute. That's why I say, hey, go on to the 15-minute. Enjoy the wait. You can go out, you can get some food, you can work out, you can go about your normal day just understanding, hey, I got something in here. And then also, say you waited on this, say you were late to the party and you saw this higher low over here, you could then put a stop loss right below that. So as soon as you put the stop loss right below that, you just let it play out. Either you get stopped out or it goes to your profit taking. That's the whole point of always operating with a stop loss. But that's the method I like to use. I'm starting to get crazy FOMO at this moment because I'm getting a back test. Oh, it's really bad. Do I like perpetuals and have any experience on the platform BTCC? It's the only legit option for BTC. What do you mean it's the only legit option for BTC perpetuals? What? I mean, nowadays you have all these exchanges like posting up their proof of reserves. Like it's kind of crazy. But I haven't used BTCC yet. I was thinking about checking out their platform, and it's my opinion only. Okay, that's all good, Dan. All right. But yeah, so I do like perpetuals a lot. The nice thing about perpetuals is literally you put in whatever amount you want to use, you throw in the leverage that you like. So let's say for my affiliated exchange here, Weeks, that I'm going to defend highly, but I wanted to change the leverage for my longs or my shorts. I can come in here, I can dial it to wherever I want. Currently it's setting at 100. I could change it to 200. I could do a lot of things. But what the hell was the question again? But yeah, on every platform nowadays, they're pretty much the same. The nice thing about it, let's just say I got liquidated. I didn't have a stop loss, got liquidated. Let's say I wasn't using 100x. Let's just say, thank you, great point about leverage. Yeah, so let's just say I didn't have a stop loss and I was using a 15x leverage. I don't know if you're used to doing leverage in stocks, but in crypto it's a little different by way of if I get liquidated on a 15x leveraged whatever direction, I will have 1/15th of what I put in. So let's say I put in, I guess it's easier if I say 10x. Let's say I put in $100, I put a 10x leverage, I get liquidated, I would have $10 left in my account. So they're literally just taking that from you because you had poor risk management. It's kind of nice that way because I know a lot of futures for stocks. It's like, oh, you couldn't sell it, it's worthless. It's like, damn, all or nothing? That's too bad. So crypto does like to give you that extra little chance. But note, if you're 100x leverage, you get liquidated, it's gone. You got nothing. You lost 100%. Look at ADA to BTC. What's where the BTC was going? I think I got AIDS reading that. I don't know what you're saying. ADA BTC. I've charted this before? Wow. Well, you hit a level. Apparently. What level did I mark out here? What the hell is this? What the? When I look at my old work, I just want to look at myself and be like, "Hey, idiot! Candle closes. That's what you use." Golly. What's BTC doing? It's going sideways down, something like that. Can Control Z. Wait, Chris, hold on. What? Well, thanks, Chris. How do I put it back? God dang it. All right. That is a perfect back test. Oh, you got in there. Oh, shit. So, yeah. Waiting for candle close. That was always a good idea. Yeah, candle closes are always a good idea. I need more levels. Holy shit. Oh, I got stopped out of the trade finally. Dang, too bad. We're stopped out. We're toast. Ah. I'm so sad now. No. Alright. Right there. Right there. ADA could have a big run against Bitcoin. Whoa. You're expecting ADA to beat out Bitcoin for the next 51%? Holy shit. Oh, that's what's happening. We got the Bitcoin dominance coming down a little bit. Oh. Okay. This makes more sense why some of the alts are starting to pop off. But it does look like Bitcoin's about to bring them down. Oof. Bitcoin is now negative 0.08. Interesting. See, I'm a genius. Oh boy. Are you though? Are you a genius? ADA. Damn, it just lost 4%. Woo! That's tough. That's tough. But yeah, I guess this was a time to short. Nice. Nice. Let's just watch how this Bitcoin dominance starts going up again. soon as markets start to fall. Oh, we're going up. We're going up. Get that trend reversal, baby. I love it. I give you the trade. Oh man, yep. Bitcoin's finally starting to go down. Damn it. I just needed a higher stop loss on my short earlier and I would have been happy. That's a shame. That is such a shame. Look at that Bitcoin dominance starting to come up. What was that? Oh, Myro. Dang. It must be tanking. I gave the trade. You guys are both fighting over who gave a trade. The dominance has broken out. The dominance has broken out. I'm going to start shorting based off dominance. That means Doge is right. Ooh. It hit. Oh, shit. Hold on. We're shorting Doge. We are shorting the Doge. 20411. 20214. 20214. 20214. Oh my god, I was joking. Be careful. I'm not joking. It hit resistance. I'm this. I'm jumping in the short. I know where this is supposed to go. I know exactly where this is supposed to go. Garrett, are you leverage trading? Yeah, I just put in a 40x leverage short on Doge. I'm a Doge. Do. But yeah, we're 40x short. And our target is this 18 level. I'm expecting it to hit. Based off this idea here. I might actually leave this thing open all night. 9% drop. What's the position size? It's not much. It's like 60 bucks. You're shorting again? Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, the position's at $63. It's no big deal. 40x leverage short. I need to put the profit taking at 18124. 18124. We'll see if Doge stops me out to the upside. Let's see. It's a good day if you can turn this into $230. It's a good day. But yeah, Bitcoin wants to pull back now. This thing, later, skater. Because you do have a low here and a slightly lower low. Let's get a third lower low. That would be really nice. And a confirmed back test. But I'm a little worried because this does look a little rounded. So this could just be trying to cup and handle. Which then I'd be looking at, oh, it stopped me out while I was sleeping. Which would be terrible. It was trying. But as long as Bitcoin struggles, all of your favorite alts are going down. There will be outliers, of course, but yeah, as long as Bitcoin struggles, which noted, I still think Bitcoin should come down and test this. Just give us a nice little kiss and pop up. We'll see. Grow more. Thank you so much for the sub. Should get a nice little kiss down here, get a nice test, and then we can just be like, okay, we got our back test, bull run on, let's run this thing, and let's have a great Christmas. It'll be great. Dogecoin short. We are losing market cap. Oh no. You need SHIB to pull back. You need it. You need it. You know, it's funny. Looking at the viewership compared to Twitch, Twitch is terrible. It's so bad. I can't wait till like crazy meme coin season starts popping off. Because then Twitch comes back alive. I gotta send my waves inside of the Discord. Give me a second. Oh, Runner. I missed this. What? He sent me the video about Dogecoin to $10. That's great. Or article. I'll be reading that later. That's pretty good. I love that. Like, people believing it'll hit $10. That's just wonderful. Like, I love the optimism. So with Dogecoin, thing we got to worry about, you're above all your moving averages. So even if we come down here, we could find a lot of support down here, which could really ruin the trade and make me get out early. We're getting our first level of support right now on the 15, and then our second level is literally right below. So we got to break through all of that in order to be really bearish. Someone bought 168 million in Doge 2 days ago. That's nuts. What? That's insane. Now it's starting to look like Doge wants to show a little bit of strength. That is too bad for my trade. That is too bad. That means Bitcoin's probably doing the same thing. It is. Oh, we're going to deal with Chop City? Oh, I hate that. I really hate that. A choppy market is terrible. It is absolutely terrible. That is something I don't like. Choppy markets. The only reason I don't like a choppy market is because I'm very bad at trading chop. I'm very bad at it. When we're going in an actual direction, very good. Whether it be up or down, I'm good. But choppy, ugh, so bad. The only thing I'm banking off of right now is the fact that I did identify this mild downtrend that we touched perfectly and pulled back on. But now it looks like the traders just don't care. They don't care at all. Like, no, send it. I mean, we're high on stochastics on the 15, also on the 1 hour. Are they just trading on the 5? Must be trading on the 5. Son of a bitch. If they are just trading on the 5, well, we just entered a new trade where it will stop me out. Which is terrible. And it would confirm a breakout. Look at this crap. You would come up right there. Oh, gosh. So bad. We're now negative in the trade. Losing 3 in a row. That would be pretty harsh for me. That would be pretty harsh. If Bitcoin goes under 75K, it'll pull back to 73 or 72. Yeah, probably. We'll see. But it's like right now Bitcoin needs to drop pretty aggressively so it can pull Dogecoin down by its hair. Just pull it down. I need this trend to break. That's what I really need. In the short run. I need that to break. If I can get a bearish back test on top of that, even better. Even better. Oh, might have to get out of this one. I didn't realize what time it was. It's kind of late. It's like Bitcoin's pulling a bit. Drawing down right now, but it's about to be oversold on the 5-minute. Let's see if we can get like a little death spike. That would be nice. Wedge pattern on the 4-hour usually breaks down. You're right. You're absolutely right. It usually does. That's why I originally wanted to take a short, and it popped up above our previous highs. It got up there, and then it just trickled all the way down. Frustrating. Dogecoin's doing the opposite of what Bitcoin's doing right now. As Bitcoin shows a little bit more red, Doge was showing green. Oh, wait a minute. Bitcoin finally starting to pull down the market? Let's go. I feel like after the huge run Dogecoin had, I'm not asking for much. I just want a 9% drop. Like, I don't think that's that bad. Oh, man. Oh, you had the hidden bearish div, too. I didn't notice that. So hidden bearish divergence on the 5-minute, triple hidden bearish divergence, and now it looks like we're starting to get the follow through to the downside. That's good. We should not see these highs again. Let's see if we can see the same thing on the 15. We do not. Oh wait, yes we do. Oh, it's about even. Never mind. Not seeing the same thing on the 15, so we only see it on the 5-minute. But your 15, it's just saying, hey, we need to reset our indicators. Good. Fall down. I'm out. Trades keep getting stopped out. Catch you on the next one. And good luck, all. Crypto Naughty, good luck tomorrow. Hopefully, trades go much better. It happens. It definitely happens. No one's perfect. No one is perfect. Oh shit, I should have traded that dog's coin. Dogecoin just doesn't want to lie down. What a shame. Look at that dog's coin. Look at what it's doing. Oh no. I should have traded dogs. Damn it. Damn it. Yeah, Doge reset the 5-minute quickly. Bearish divergence on Bitcoin on the 4-hour also. Yeah, huge bearish divergence. Huge. We were identifying that at the beginning of stream, but the only problem I had with Bitcoin was the liquidation map. It was like, why would it go up? Why would it go up? There's no shorts. Nobody is shorting Bitcoin anymore. Not at all. So all your liquidity is down here. It's like Bitcoin might go down there to grab some liquidity. Uh-oh. But for Dogecoin here, Doge is like, we're in our own league. We don't care. Okay, cool. Jerk. I just shorted you. We're strong. We're Doge. I don't understand why Doge does this to me. Is Bitcoin doing it? I guess it is. See, it's trades like this that end up just like having me scratching my head. I'm like, people really are trading off the 5-minute time frame. Like they really are. That is wild. They're not even looking at the 15. If you look at the 15, you're like, oh yeah, we should be going down for sure. You look at the 1 hour, you're like, we're pretty high on the 1 hour. It's 20. I'm shorting Doge. It's good. You shorted dogs, Craig? Seems like a better move than me shorting Doge. Whoa. Doge's 4 hour looks crazy. Doge on the 4 hour looks crazy. Short Sui if you're brave. I'm not brave. Not at all. I feel like Sui's gonna outperform the whole market. Ironically. Just like, oh yeah, see all that bearish stuff? We're glad you went short. We stole your money. Just like, yeah, that's fair. That's fair. You can do that. Even the 3-minute wants to rally. Okay, here we are. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. You got this beautiful green candle. Stochastic was like, you're gonna need to do more than that, buddy. I ain't moving. The 1 minute can save us. The 1 minute. The 1 minute can save us. We got the 50% retrace. We're going down, baby. Going down. I think Sui is the Solana of this cycle. I was thinking that too. But then I remembered about some other token called Blast. I really want to know if it's getting any marketing. Because if Blast actually starts marketing, who knows? Maybe Blast will do it. And Sui will have another competitor, which is going to be a layer 2 for Ethereum. It's going to be called Sonic. FTM, the Phantom Network, they're building that. And I was like, oh, that's cool. That's different. Okay, cool. So yeah, I'm really interested to see what's going to pop up. But either way, I already know whatever token's going to make me the most money this cycle, it hasn't been made yet. If it's called Blast Up, it's a scam, I think. I don't think it's called Blast Up. I think it's literally just called Blast. Bitcoin's being a little butthole. Look at it. It stopped me out and it does this? What the hell? What is this? Oh my goodness gracious. Bitcoin's being mean. Bitcoin is just mean. I don't know what Asia's doing over there, but they need to calm down. But no, it's called Blast, so it's this token right here. $179 million market cap. Apparently it's a fully functioning layer 1. And I was like, oh, I didn't know that. That's cool. But people can build on it. And I was like, okay, maybe they'll start marketing. They're on all sorts of exchanges. They're everywhere. Man, it's called Blast. Oh my Lanta. The Chop City is killing me. Alright, I'm getting out of this trade. I'm done trading for the evening. How many subs do I need? What, for YouTube? Are you talking about so I could monetize? Currently we are sitting... Wow, that's a lot more than I expected. We're at 453. Looking to get to 1,000. That's what we need, is 1,000. Sui about to pump. That's what I said. Sui's about to pump. What? I might actually just go long on Sui. Dogecoin's about to stop me out. Such a shame. Such a shame. I'm starting to dislike this. Oh no. How bad is it? Am I down 40? I'm down 20. You know what? We're going to stop the bleeding on this trade. I know I'm stopping it out early. That's 3 trades in a row. Do we continue the bleeding or not? What do you think, chat? What do you think? Stop you out on a win. You want me to get a win? So we just trade Sui. That's all we do. If Sui breaks out Rising Wedge, it's forming. It'll pump hard. I know. I know. Once again, you don't short Sui. You just don't. You know what? We're gonna go in on Sui, and we're gonna go in on some obnoxious leverage. That's what we're gonna do. This is gonna be the one I'm gonna sleep on, and I feel like it's gonna do fine. Sui's gonna be nuts. I can feel it in my bones. So let's change this to let's go 35x. You know, I got some faith in Sui here. Let's wait it out for a second. Let's see what it does. Outside of the higher lows that you're constantly getting. What's this percentage down? 0.84. You know what? We've lost plenty. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. We're just going to keep the losing train alive. We're going long. We're going long. And it's instantly in the green. That's cool. Last cycle was holding Matic, and it... Oh my god, you were holding Matic the whole time? That's crazy. Broken Wiseman match pattern. And then at 9x. Yeah, Matic was really strong last cycle. Because I remember I was trading Matic when it was 5/10 of a penny. Really mad I didn't just buy and hold down there. Really mad. Short dogs. I just went long Sui. Is dog still falling? Dog started popping up. Gotta be careful. It's a weird bullish time. Lord Twisted Jays, you opened a short on Sui after you're going long? I opened a long. Fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, no. It's playing out. I thought I went long. Oh, no. Good call. We're in the green, though. Going to sleep. I'll be back to short ADA. Smart move. Open a short on Doge, but just for fun. I got out of that. Yeah, I'm going to get out of... I didn't realize I opened a short. That's funny. That's not the first time that happened either. Okay, we're going to close that. We're going to go long, goddammit. Long. Fuck. Long. Alright, we're good. We're long on Sui. We're long. God damn it. Okay. Oh no. 227.88. 227.88. Okay, we can do that. Don't tell me. %38 downside if we hear the beep. Got it. And then profit taking. We're going to go with the measured. We're going to go with the measured. That's what we're doing. So let's bring this here because I feel like it's going to hit. It hits every other time. $280.41. 280.41. Bitcoin at 76K. Is Bitcoin falling or going up? It's going up. Yeah, see, this is that bullshit. You know, we longed Bitcoin earlier, stopped us out to the downside. We shorted Bitcoin, stopped us out to the upside. What are we doing? This is why choppy markets suck. I'll look at Sui, by the way. How long will be your trade when it gets here? I have this odd feeling I'll wake up in profit. So yeah. I feel like it's literally the next move it's going to make. 21%. But we'll see. We'll see. I could get stopped out right now also. What was that price? 280.41. This is for a 7x? Wow. Wow. Alright, let's see Sui do its magic. I still feel like it's going to stop me out. That stop loss is probably way too tight. That's the problem. But we'll see. You'd short Sui short term. I don't know if that's a good idea. I do not know if it's a good idea. I'll tell you what. Like, I get this is sort of a rising wedge, sort of symmetrical triangle-ish. But all Bitcoin has to do is not fall, and Sui's flying. Like, that's really all Bitcoin has to do. Just don't fall. Just hang out, Bitcoin. Let your dominance come down a little bit. That'll be good. And then Sui's just going to be like, new all-time highs. Sui's on some crazy shit. It is crazy. Alright, everybody. So this is a trade I'm going to be in all night. Maybe I wake up in profit. Maybe I wake up stopped out. We'll see. It's getting pretty late for me. I'm going to go to sleep. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to be ready to trade a ton tomorrow. Sui is fun to trade high leverage. I mean, sometimes. It's kind of confusing. You're right. Yeah, it's really confusing. But yeah, everybody, I appreciate everybody coming in. This was a crazy stream. We, at some point, got up to like 50 viewers or something. Great stream. Love it. Hopefully we can continue the numbers, and hopefully we'll get to 1,000 subscribers one of these days. I will try to start pumping out a couple more trade setup videos, because I have not been doing that lately with taking care of my daughter so much. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to try and do that tomorrow. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and join Discord. We'll chat it up in Discord. It's a great place to be. I appreciate each and every one of you. Hopefully you have an amazing evening. Get some sleep. Don't lose sleep over your trades. And I'll catch you in the next one. Crypto Chimp, you rock. Sub, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. We are trying to get to that 1K subs. You guys are amazing. Anyways, I will be back tomorrow because I stream every single day. You all have a good one. Keep those stop losses tight. Take it easy.